Adeba Adom TV jumede atune din enkranhye ensem emreso me am de jumede ho chia me edi am jeso Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego enso from Nita Kotego a wonfom ye onyame nka ho na onka ye nyina ho na ye ne jumede kosimra ye bewie na ano me ne wo hye jumede bi asese abrabo a ye ebue no ya na afo ne sane wo mu ya na enfomso ene nkuguo wo mu ya na ne pe ne ye nya empo nioma bebrebe di ye nya empo woni a ye ne won ekoba no bepe ahwase na eya na eba na se ye tehwe edi nkuguo anan fom so bi ba akwamu anan empo yensasi fom a ya na ye hwe obi ana ye hwe ba bia ye gina no ya bono sobo. For many of us, whenever things don't go right, our first reaction is to blame others or to blame our circumstances. The last person you will look at may be you. But the truth is that Ababa Ubuino and Koya Ejina also. Baba Ebui Ekoya Ejina also. Baba Ebui Senkugu Nyashiasie Nemguasie Ebeba Ewa. Se wuji tumu say dia na se wuni me se ese wo ye de sefata na nkuguo ni ahase ma na neme bi wo ha yeta yo na ema edi enya na esi ya nkoso okwan ebi na de me no ba bekan ba ko overspending money and abusing our times for unnecessary things. Bebre ene ye wo wiase a sika ye kura no sha nanso ya na yesuro se de hye bibi mu a na akoye empo eka enti ene medi metonioma uko obi wardrobe mu antare bebre da bia so hye ba ko ne mienu pe na otwe mu a uko obi shoe rag mu a empabo bebre so ya na ohye ba ko pe afimu ya totonioma se bia so ni mfaso uko ne demu a wesia system wesia minima brand bia ne demu nko TV miensa ne enan adan na wani edu no watoto we nyina ase medi hia me na baba wo bi nso a wono okura iPhone 12 okura 10 okura one phone ese phone na koba nyina so ye phone akabisa ono pe nanim enso nipa we wo se medi hia ye sesi katonioma sebe esu manfa so man daache na ye mfa sika nhye adwumam sansa ofo se sika na ekura wo no esua me de koye meboka matiahwe ade koto ade kro no ehun hia no ede na wo ye. When your closet gets full with clothes you don't need at all. Ebiana o wardrobe, na mo fa na wardrobe no. Ayema shirt bear 20, ties bear 10. Ka wo yi bi kochi obi akode na sin hira be ma na ne ehia wo a esefata wo no na wa hye. Abrante bi ka chem se he mi sis wo na mata de ba ko pe. Ene manyini dum pempenso betima to ma men todo do ne ehu za matobi. Ampa wo to do na ye de. Yeah, wo dan kakra adesa wo da babeketu abi kaye na wo si dan kakra bi na esi bi ma woni edam montene se wonya babe mfo tintu a kenso ni mfaso eno anse watu gate mu wo dan kakra wo se mehiem de na de baaye enipa ahonyade eyefe esin wodo enipa ahonyade esu ani esin papayo enipa ahonyade ene yepe esi se ebetu ehun asiwa ye bibia ma obi eno ene ye ne ene ye bre abusua a wo hwe me dede ahonyade de ye na ye nia won sa besoso na enye mane mmroso mento mane mmroso asa uko odwom koto ne oma a wo ba aduane no wa aduane awie wa hu se aduane doso ma abusua mudi a se se ka wo kari na wo ma enye bi na okunya bi na wasa ne bebre ama obi afi di wie no akase sebe sa abawabi wo fi on be di ase te sa ebe hwe agu anka dia wo hwe agu no yen hunu se obu ha fra no pa be sa nwumre woni di na nso ka wo pede ma no a kebe ehira amayen ya na ye sika ene be bo ha mfa so mra yen e fe no compulsive buying asa enhye minimo wura bi so a sa radio nketo ya ba eye bluetooth yi o be se edu Oshia tintia woto oshia tetia woto oshia demu odu woto na ya na wo de koye de ne fe akoye se akwanya bi na aba ma wo ena tototo ayesebe enhye de ma wo ototo ne ma ne bebrebe a da ne bosom ema wo ebiom wo mre a wo de adwuma bebree na hye wo mre so wo ho ma obia osikani ni ohiani ni o millionaire ene de osra de edie no wo nyina enya donhwere eduonu nan ni nyina so ene ne awode wo mre ye de awode wo mre be ye no ene wo ne ni wo kina. What you use your time for will determine what you become. Some of us just abuse time. TV, not here 24 hours. Social media, not here 6 hours. Yes, there be a dano or ye be a enfant so emre no. No so see we here ni obre. We here ni obre enyina so anyone kasa. Enije ene nkoso enyina so anyone kasa. Nti dia wodo mre be ye no e be kire dia abenya. Ena dia wodo sika be hyemu no be kire mfaso abenya. Mejlise anapem inu etu kwankakra. Mo mami ni kan ena empanimfo a wo boaye madwumede eba mo nchen ewo Adom TV ase. Me kanama kan sen Randolph, Sandra, Priscilla ena empo eja webe kampadu. Ena woni ekura mfidie mu camera, sound ena empo MC afo, ena lighting for onyame nhira mu nyara. Titiri wo a onya amrehwe mo de woni wonyame ntra. Enya fidie ni mfiri ha na badwamadwumadie no ekoso anesa. Macron.
Yamwache mwa kwa Badom TV eso na Badwam kase na brason akasimedunum na nsia abon samasie na brason sauti bi yedani te kotegu ase ne nkranhye ensema no pai ensema ni etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini abrantie Christian achu ya torenche mesi woteki waka ho bie na nura yede na mu na bedu oman Ghana mu se wani ense okache yede mu nkyeremu no ebebra mu na afa ya bɔra yensam foforo mu yama mpani adodankwa akufo ado sei sa wo kyekire manya enye kuye ene yede kyekire nti ebibra man akandifo mu ye ni na ho ne nya kusam no sansam ne nsem bi ena no pay mere bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase medi afia amankwa tamakloko Facebook/Adom TV kase no ewo Hogo TV channel 176 DSTV channel 280 afia ni de kwan sutie seden samne kyeremu ankasa etie enra anwumre ene nyame ya dom ya yendehye Ghana ne dehye yen footballer kase baako Christian achu ya nano da torentem kase ya eboye esi ewo Turkey emanu mu nam soma oto nananom sie do no yede no aba oman Ghana mu mampani abede akire Dr. Mahmoud Baumia GFA ne mpanifo abusua tichiwu nyina kɔ ho a Adom TV etwaso
atuhwe nyanka atuhwe kunafo atuhwe prisoners ebi mo pu prisoners ya fa prisoners nya hwe but atu hu say prisoners obu wo ho anamfo ni po anya ono e so obi tua 100 cities 300,000 2,000 ni amani years atu hu we mu nyina na wakotua na wayi no saa nipa no etimi be ye ade papa ma oman no ye nya ne so mfa so wo oman yi mu empo oye ya tua school fees atu wo no akayen
on behalf of the Twasam family of Adom and on my own behalf as the elder of the family, I'm giving money that has contributed since this thing happened to today. We are grateful. We are saying we thank you.
It is a very sad day that we are here to receive the mortal remains of our brother, our son, our husband, our uncle. The tragedy that occurred in Turkey about a week ago is one that was devastating. Take this opportunity on behalf of the press, condolences to the Twasam family. I'd like to extend my condolences to all of for this deep loss. Condolences to the footballing fraternity who played for the Black Stars. and he was much loved, and we will sorely miss him.
Ghana Mampani Nana Adonko Akufo-Addo de sama hodo akoto edwa akire mu international community no ne titru ne abibra man mu se oman akuku wo mbebre no mpuntuo no ya na kachire na abibra man so yepese yakwa animu wa amanyo nsemu ye mbambo nye esikasemu a enye ku na yede eye enu nti na yeme ni na ho bambo mu akwankyere ne afutuo ekoso Germany Mampani de sansemi etuja.
The African Continental Free Trade Area holds a promise for Africa's prosperity by fueling economic growth, expanding decent jobs, and raising living standards for all Africans. The power of the AfCFTA thus lies with its ability to integrate and consolidate Africa into a $2.4 trillion United States dollar market, and thereby eliminate many of the barriers to trade present across the continent. A recent study by the World Bank in partnership with the AfCFTA Secretariat indicates that the agreement, if fully implemented, would raise incomes in Africa by 9% by 2035 and lift 50 million people out of extreme poverty. Foreign direct investments to Africa would increase by between 111% and 159% under the agreement, and wages will rise by 11.2% for women and 9.8% for men by 2035.
Food and Drugs Authority in Krabata or Western North, Mantamnimo assay enuane doko ne niema hudu bi a wom susu se nya papa na wadwama so ankrofo to ede ye won ho adom kase etwaso
yeko se bibi oso asawen so empotem eni bibie ni empotem ekoye yen exercise I friend on market surveillance na niema bebre wo hono mu a yetumi ehu se I expire ebi drinks ebi nso biscuit na tin tomatoes niema bi nso hono mu a yehu se Food and Drugs Authority and register ebi to say unregistered postino 2 nti yesisa we no mina na yakabo mu na yase no
Ori fasa akwanya no so etu omanfo nyina afo se wonum ko shop bi mu anase we kodwa bi mu na okohunu se aduane bi wo honom ane bre apa ho anase we onadwen mu hunu se enye papa omomodin ase obi FDA4 asotire se be ya obetu ho anamo na watumi abo omanfo nyina ho bai
omo to niema e wo shop amomodin hwe se first of all brofo kasa e wo product no ho a che se betumi akan no mahu the manufacturer no ope any nkomo opese oni omudi se bia eniema ye de ye senior obe store product no ana senior obe craft product no a emfa how emba omohwe se obehu expiry date manufacturing date batch numbers e wo product no ho na se date no apa ho expiry date no apa ho ye be stress ma omonto sa eniema yi enkofi enkonkoye eduane ana so monkonkodi
Mayefa kase no konfinfini mantemo NDC amanyokuo no enene wode kokobo emu den ede ma constituency na dwamtenafo nyina so obi bia ni wono a primary se ebeko so obi ba bayi nanim so so mesi ana obenten no wota na chi emu ne Adom TV edin komoi
mesro mengo di party ni ba kwa chi se twintina achi no ahanti ese bi bo we di ngone se no na ye wie na ye unity talks na aye de yaman enti ni aka che chairman e wo enti say chairman who support to be cry you any yeah regional executives yes who support to be here so we be suspended into one telephone na wo yes ano yenya on the ever flow na just one person part in the be parliamentary
Eko Vincent Kumsing eye NDC amanyokuo no dwemtenani ewo abura asebu kwa manze na wono so na di suja say sa party office a wonom eba besie no etie da so ene obi aka ho de nti a wonom atudin sa ne se wonon ko a entumi ensi sa dan ne nsi wo wohia obi biara emu ane senti ode ato ndisi amanyuko manyina enemu se bia emfa ne ho nhyiemu bi
to them project obiara ka ho project mara the cost why am hand for this structure is about 2 million Ghana cedis. I don't have that money. Me see the money I'm going to say 20,000 my personal money. But you are here. Donations are various donations are here can say over 500 bags of cement in donations. If you are man, I promise a mobile blocks. This is what we are doing. We need to get everybody along. Ibiara and Ibiara, we will make a long list of every contributor. Nizinbo edane ho na ochina ne nananomebo hu de. Se yenyu hompa, yanamba yanananomebo hu de. Me nana me papa. Ka ho me see party office.
Asante Achim North mrashe bedwani andi apia kubi se ne uba mrashe bedwafie mu a ohom chemu be de okonokono de enya de se LGBTQ+ ne de obi eri je ho de ntimo ode sansemi tu dwa no adom kase etwaso
say Church of England for say omo de ema omo fa the same people no say be ye has ya mamre say polygamy yagitumo no omo say it's against their culture and tradition ejo omo yitu adentina the ensuso against their culture and tradition omo say yitu enya dia as long as I'm part of decision making, media may support to that. Now I'm happy say in our parliament, about 99% of us, yes, are similar to that. Anything, so we got you baby. Now the baby parliament here, you can bet your bottom dollar say it will never pass through our parliament.
And wachi osofo panyi pa oda agogo Bethel Methodist Church no ano very reverend Renos amofra dankwa and so den simsi ene to aso
asore de ya bebre o sha e school before the school no be bet me after school so aboa am ya tempo fo a that you bet me abaye nkofo a o bet me atena o mani no mabubra papa isansa no hia se be man nkofo nimdie ni nyansa o mo bobra nyapisumu no se nyapisumu mu a abraba obobia no enkoyi before say tempala no o Kristo mu a na mo bombra yi a ebeba asoro no nyina tumu na mo a yetufu ne yebo ho mpaye
Mayenko Pro West mensimu obono mantam no emo na ekura de carpenter krom ene ne nsama hodo bia beto dwa kirem se ekuafo de gya hyehye no enye wo mo dadwene kese se fulani fo ne wonyemwa sɛ wo mo kwaye wi wo mfudie ne ade ne ha wo madwene ye papa ti Adom TV kase kɔ hɔ ene ekuafo bi akasa
ye ti ase abase foma yentu na onu mom na asase ne je ne maame awo asase in fact in some for this time they mama say humwaye na say enkosi be say match 8 pounds o tie dia ye ne fan for bedin im say na man ne beti na pokotachi yesre no na in fact ye bu no say we ye man hwena kansa ye ne je no
kana no ya beto kwa paramo wa ha woto banki gufom kura woto banki pepepepepe opa hata na je wurem unko ho bosom kura wo banki wo kwa kofa woto banki go ho a obia ni ho na wadi ma di nsa kosom ama sa amre ye gina mu sei no anam fala ne fo nti woto ba ye de tu ho kura oboko no ba yi bi
se chido ma beji da bia de be chin na ntwi odi motoki be fa na ntwie ade ko san se sika waji ni na ntwi a waji nti wonwene ye ho se ye nipa enti ye sra ban so wo meboaye na chidom ne ye nim kwan ya se ye de ne be fa so ye ne ahode ne
se si afula no fo aba wo be penso ano wo nya nso onnom wo kwa wo nya duane ndi se na wo be ye wo so wa do ka hwe kakra ene banki nyina se si banki obedi afi we se si a wo pa afra banki Manchester dia wo ntimi nyam di wo so we nyina asem papa
empenifo ye da dwumaku de Samatide Company Limited se de na ekoso bia wo ne nananom ne atrankonya wachem abu akwa traditional council wo poemantamu no se de sa mentime ho ase no wo mo age atomu a wo mo kasa asomdwe aba Adom kase etoso
make a credit a team no se media no be kaya na se Ghana for kaya nsɛm bi esisi between summertime any Chumai Traditional Council any on task force. Eti saa nsɛm de esisi no ɛde basabasa yɛ ne mintim wase bebree ɛbaa. But as a company, you are telling us you are sharing the money. You say no, say the name a coin. I'm going to into two in one more, and the chopper, I'm going to test fee. I power in it, traditional council in our
Enwechi ena Daniel Mafo Furiata ya wo ye state secretary Emma Achem Ebuakwa Traditional Council editon semtrofo nyina animu say echeopa owura no ede ababetu dwane nyese na no akwa ene ode ka nemum waba oforipanyi ahemfie ababeye amamre ene amane a esefata nyina
for a start no baby okọ start gu achame hu fin onko sha free ho no nko friends and trofo no ohia won na Emma kruan kratam nu ade na achame hu bi se do yeti achame no enne wonu no hunti achame emfa no bone enche sabe odidi ochema asase na so ha oye achame edihye baby ofri bia no sa na achame consider no enti enda wo so wonu no ho a enya de achame betumi adane achi achame dem wo amane kwanso no there were clear customary procedures follow so say wonu ho a beba dwantoa in fact wakwa bonten no ni ade akosere bone fafiri no ni ade aka am make a recantation of nsem akokan ni nyina ye kwan so abefa so no akodwantoa na dwantoa edo aba
afi odra fashana koso ewo adwagiri ye wonsa wo mu apoye mantamu na siwani nsa o ka kire se de amamre ne amane epeja ne mu ewo ho no Adom TV pie ho etwaso
Yeritong domestic tourism and Yesantong international tourism. Domestic tourism ne say nipa wa Ghana ebetu kwan afi baby a wote na wakosra baby. Wo kwa sebe wo to aduan, wo sha atare, wo faka. Ema local economy no, ema nimu so. Iti na yenga ya behie nyina wo adwagiri hei. Eye nana wo wafa hei nti ne yaba. Iti wo reboa domestic tourism. Again, no nana, bese metwi wadwene ko bibi nso so se daachi bia monka enhu se international tourism ano so ebua pa iti ye afashe se a yen fa yema yen membru emma social media no mo na advertisement no intag won a ewa abrochi no your year of return and beyond the return 2019 nipa besra Ghana 1.1 million plus. 2020 COVID inti etoba from about 355,000. 2021 yeba soro kakra about 623,523.
Enwechiri ena AC Ohene ya wo ye head of news and current affairs Akan Brands e Multimedia Group Limited echire akwanya hodo adwumakue enam so aboa afimpinu anye aduonu miensa odwura afahya no.
Nananom ne mpani ya de ose ayoyo ade ahobrase ne English ni beka say widows might kakra bi a yebetumi aye no ya de aboa pa ya ye announcements ewo TV any radio ekobe ti say aduonum 5050 nananom ya bay ye program no atwa ti wiase aman ara ama Ghana for ewo ha Ghana for omantimi amado agiri ene omo amanoni ene wo amani gi ebibre amamre ho nyinara wa wiase afana nyina anya bi ahwe ne kura ne se nana mo aye ne mo etwa odwure yi ye ka kire mo se ye wie bribia no ye be ye kasebo batan a ye frɛ no documentary na documentary no ye yi mo bia hwe ne ehun se safi 2023 sa ena adwagiriman womtwa wodwura nie ye de beto brebia ekwan beba mu bia no ye bata ibio
enti yamfa kase no ensi ha na afi ye didie kwan so yenye de bonkrata ne online stories na ne no hu se yasesemu kakra se kase no ebeba nonum abapa hosima aduanan enum ayese wie ne nsia honum apa hosima edua na fe de bonkrata no so atwaso nti Benjamin Asante Dakon aka Asante Krobia aka Omanhene aka 7 aka Obolo Daddy ewa hasenti ye mana kwa aba papa ye mo akwa aba
majoso
na bibia boko de
onyame adom
de nyame ase na ovem level no so
say fie eduane ne kofom ti de bia da say odi ani pressure na wotwe wi ase wo hwe say fie enuane ahodo ewo ho weekends we pia rebesra me
oh okay
na ensra no bae no na enam de opeso
so
ana mane bae
na say ye obi a na so ansa na
ya kasa ye di nkomo ye di ya kasa ya numbi afi wakra me se woko na mzo ne onyame adme na juada idie e share wajumem no wakọ no wasaba wamfa ka mo se as wajane the key ewo
ne dan
ya hwehwe mpo nyina na me boa no me yehwe bi ohun hwe alo se ni obese kwa bi oja no efi oba na mzo ne nyame adme ne wasa me ko na
mzo ya ya we dan bibi aka ho ni bibi aka ho
enti mo amukọ sra man for weekends no so amukọ ba mi ansa na muka je se amukọ a mesrew wa gasa ni so wabedi die wi okọ o se oja na de waba hwi ni ho okọ enti okọ de a ofia man go ade okọ de a ene obachi nam na wi na o so akọ be na se waba ha de a eh yonko sei enti okọ ya ma mi hu se okọ ansa na me so me kọ amanako ana bibia tutwa kama enti wakọ na 20th February
yes
onyame asade na che kakra ye ko nti ahweyi kakra no onyame nso adomo kakra very important onyame de biribi adameka odom ye nyina nemu waka de ye be ya abo onyame de na wo ye netime di mo awie peyo enne se tutu anamonsi ye very careful about whatever we do ode na achewi obetire ni ma kyerɛw na o ma nneoma ese fata nko ana aba wakwam se etochew kwa na still won se onyame onim de nti asa nneoma nyina etimisi se de fia man kwa di ka kyerɛw no sachai kakra bia ba edwumedi a yedi wanim ene no num bo pound ba minute aduana enum a yede kase na epem obo se epan no nsia nsema wodo etwodwa odo bo kata ne nkoma wodo ebedi nyina no yede beba beto ama ho obehu akwasi nsia e wa ha ene anopai esan so de dwumedi sunko bi kra ana ebro ansa na yede agokansie ne ahosepe ne eye pensempensemu e de atoa so enti hunu se nsachai ne ba no na otiase we dem say putupru but montiase say edu ba bia saa na sese ne omane ba mo fanche mo ana mo so mo expect say bia me kodware ne onsia na me hu afia na ma ese na ma fantu one miss afia first flight no 5:45 no wa ba the second flight it you be say share the third flight wa come to yem ni nyina na say pese won so oye part of Jumedia yedi e wo ha ntire saa ensacha kese we pa e dey abroad e mo ni miro bi da e ma wani mmere obi da tini e ka se o tipupu a wo modin na ko obidi nyame ihira obi a da nyame asefo nhira ode ma afia bankwa na ka che onyame se onyame so ndomo nya ni breso because baby ani bre betimi di wakodi no wan ka se o twe ani behwe wachi na fa de ani braye wa o re be ho abrabom ani bre ani ahoye a ani pesem kuminya anenam enya de papa nti wo hye na wo twe we ase ne de gitum se onyame bless you obi a mesrew ebedu so de so se de kan de bi adana ebi ba hema kire bi ba no pa ebi ba wie ebi ba nwumre de bi so abadesium maybe yours enam kwanso eba some few seconds away tinya abotre kakra bi na onyame ebeti nanim e de akiro afensu de hia me kese pa ne se Ghana yenwene Ghana ho our sense of patriotism love for the country truthfulness and transparency enye adwuma. It doesn't matter the political party I war. It's very important. So wo A and I will B, wo C and I will D. The said that wakoma so kese pa ne se biribi adabadwene Ghana ho. It's important. Ti hunu se ube to Ghana na mono na biribi ada Ghana enye nso so papa ebeboa me no mi nyina ya dachi. Efia. Well, I'm saying some do to me we say nsuma no bebia. Bebia. Na nkora no mo ko super train no baby ana
omo super
ahaya no mutiti
Ghana ahaya
eti akosua ni and dust mo na titi
no nana omo wo e friend say as a director
oh yes ejuma no
me refi nana bibi
why ejuma
oh yes omo ye ejuma kyrenkura mo
why ye ejuma na mna boso why ejuma na boso why bi do baby no na bisa ene omo en graduate mra no mo batu na bi prego
talent ne de wo ho e wo
hey
so omo to nyom kura on krank to omo de live cheze omo ye too much obi kura ho ade ono aye na nwom kra de ne ba so onye live emu odin ti no
Instrument
ya drum na esika ni
Instrument plus final patrons spray grace accordia with cash for electrify. Hey, na again what dey no. No ba da tunum za no.
Yeah. Enkra na ya de. Omo ya de. Na the odi first no Victor Chuma mbofo ne de. Eno de. Na the dress ni ye super. Just me Africa na me hu no. Na me hu say de otie. No omo ya de. Enkra na ya de. Omo nyina but say de be kan na kwabna kan sie de.
Yes,
de obi be kan. No be so. Because enkra so edi na me pani kura na me hwe kura. Efa bi na ya wo me mu. Ti me sure say enkra ni be better because obi anim so ya de.
Say we no enso ho a awfo no ne ye instrument as in Adom TV brand me giri se awie no anamo asisi etu se koso defe krokro mo esa twe o mo ba e bi sunyaza we no awfo no ye nyina ehu amane
se ye bought third place di no se na bi manu asesa na me say enkora ben so agina ho na so obi e di third e no woni mu asesa ya na kwabna sometimes in so voting ne ka ho so hu se wan to ade no
obi beto adinkunim
obi beti di adinkunim o so obi nyina ya ade be obewie no ne bi e voting no e na be count more na judges no so di aba enti e ho asam no nti won some for more no NDC so director say minority new appointees no dey
say asem dada I think that the NDC for you many omo adwene akwan nyina so if we say the president his excellency na Danko Akufo-Addo ba be ka kire say ye man akwanya no ntim fa nipa do mra na abam no mu ntim nye den entete ne omo anya ne omo kama infie na atwam infie miensa mu ne ye ko the second term until next year, I'm the chair election year. To be soon could be any. Ubun compons so 120 or so ministers now. I didn't such a party private on TV.
But where so class a crab, I mean, who knew one be or more.
The money knew or quite be soon say. Omo adwene mu no omo susu say your new people ebia ministers deputies bi wa omo ye mienu omo ye miensa what you say
it is about question ye
maintain it omo jiri say ebia deputy na ka ne obi am ne ko trade now the way abese but what's our cost ni pa foforo because keti ye foforo even though onye he grind ye foforo sticker ye foforo so what you say nti omo adwene mu no omo jiri say enya dia
deputies ni betimi
especially omo so dwene say abaya me atiase se ebra ewo mu yi eya hohihia nti nyina ye nkura kakaka tisi ye kura ho a abaya eze oda na di kire ye
ko chese hair cut na start wo abaya
na di kire ye nse
sa na ehu se
wo we a mikra meka se eba musu yi mi ankasa ebi ba musu mi fili ba okoso ye ne se ye dada na bia
na se wonti do bi
ni nyina mu no eya adwobro ni nyina mu no eya adwobro because de kika ko nyina
so be waste time because omo
we no kra no enen ye be hu mo approach no either say on better also eba sa committee we almost appointments now omo ina pepepe even though Joe Wise there titreni no omo ina number we 10 we 10 NDC 10 MPP 10 na Joe Wise ay titreni nti minim say won be kwa akotena se omo mi o ma no ana omo ntena se omo makura ana se omo betena se nemo anti ye hwe how
because all kasakura there majority carries the vote at the end of the one and mama
e je no na ye hwe
enti kwabna sanfoforo mu yara ho se na no kwabna de ye ni kan ye ho anyaba ya bana ba free Turkey maino mo achu twasam eno ana awraho ne mu ya this year wono anante ko ye de ne flight and then oba no ne adan ne niema ne de na banti man pani abade akire se ne wo se wo man ne ye ne de crowd ye de hye na chi no aban no aye krado ombe ye no na nya bete na mti wa hwe ne yire ne mba e wo baabi body na bedru ha na oba ne de wo sua ma ya ne yakasa abrofo de ai se omutimi tene ma asesa
ba de ewo de nti ase no na me yonko ba kwa no pe ya bona mane se ne ma me 91 wa free o kamu US ana me ka je se o kwa je 91 de o se there bi enye mfie no ehu a me huni bi na nema bia na me ne kan komo bia me ne di
wanyini bia so eda ya but na sere sembi nti no emu ya
na de bia da ko so sem
wo hwe we de na emu ya
na de fe wo na chikura ne se efia me se nipa ye be ye bi onyame ni nyina nipa be bibi nipa lumba nyuno say nipa be gi ni din wa me pe nyini che even though say nyinche I disagree say say nyini che because nipa na chira sem no e fe keke akono say prison for correct issue you know now hwe mofra ho do so say o che say o nipa sonko
oho Nigeria ni a ohwe no
yeah o nipa sonko
ni nyina mu yanti nyame ase na ya meka no nyame ye tena se enye kra.
Okay, so the summer what to do the workout and they bring my hokwan quickly they bro ready ka you was to say and such by edwumadi edi obedwam so tie free na akui if you wan kwa you was to say ohwe now this an hye na so pepepe ye twe ho pe akwasi sia de nkomo bi brewa a wan kasa bo zampa no kureni nkomo na the new crusading guide say we are making giant strides in education reformation in the country and enim kase power say gold for oil chain. We will monitor every step. We are sector minister. Yeah, Dodona your friend Napo. Nimnyam for Napo and Akase. Abu Jinapo King Charles confer climate change and what's them Abba. Sanso na era PCRP for I was in Bribi Obakon in person. Osu. I weep anytime I visit my constituency. Daily guide Eddie Achu for you late. Kasia Pabeto any man say Achu's body arrives and KNUST falls to death. I didn't see it. Me Kumasi. Na home TV pa na aposi for yen hwemu in fact am ko check eye ne newa ba community bi no neoma bi so a eyi band me gidi sa aposi for hwemu ba betodwa quickly na bia ko so take action against African coup na na dan kwaku for adona ka say Baumia still show at Kwawu and what some the Ghanaian Times say nation grieves for Christian Achu as remains arrive home for burial and what some the Ghanaian Times ediaba 4 soldiers 1 immigration officer, 8 fake security personnel grabbed for extorting monies from minors. Inti adwuma ye kan wa sem de bia da illegal mining. Nipa binum emu enan ya soja for ba ko immigration officer enwotwe eye won a won ye fake omonye soja for omonye police for omonye immigration omonye fire omonye obia na omo share soja for ntade omo jijiji sika free eye illegal miners no ho ya kire omo sabre ene the daily graphics so they are true for Yinaba government to support Achu's burial. Any market policy GRA SML Ghana collaboration 3 billion Ghana cedis saved since 2020. And once them send strong message to coup makers. President Akufo-Addo tells international community and Ghana UK commit to biodiversity protection. And once them Abba. The find that the Democrats say who are not panacea to Africa's problems, President Akufo-Addo say, and Dr. Educhum touts progress of new education reforms. The final double kata Ediaba. Ghana and UK renew pact on biodiversity protection and preservation. Era aye Abu Jinapo Brosha Ken Charles Oneno Edisa and Komokamakama. Indeed, quickly there. The Bokata de bro ye back no who hunyimfo bi wo hanim say ya wona ye ka won ho asem no the new addition to His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ne team no yo era sticker yo era KT Hammond yo era Brian Echampo enum na krata free ye NDC amanyuku ehye wono dom kuma wono ma hye bedwam say sa nipakuo miensa we a Nana Danko Akufo-Addo e de na ba His Excellency no omo mu fi obia Momunya part of that process. If we say Ghana ye wa ho kire mu dia, de kire ne say esese ye dwene ho say yenso aban mu mpanyimfo ne mampanyin ne apamfo no won be kat ne ma bi so na be titi ne ma bi so ama bi bi atimi akokama de ama ye.
Ntia ne ye kwasisia ye krado onfa semi di camera o ka ho na say won na awie. Yep. No. Ma ye ntwe ho mra na kwasi ento so.
Well, Yasaba, me catch you say it's like Christ from Kokra na aba e obedwem na Adom TV multi TV so and dey presidential correspondent. Onu ne timi siu o man ne kwabna asante e ma edu eye asendi bia. Ja hwe manim say me hwe wanim a papa opo asem do na ska ode so mobo no anka o mpegem kakra ni nyina mu no ye ka na kokom ama asem bia atimi atwa. Enne e ma ho ahoa. Se me pa na manya akwanya ana me be ma miankasa menua akwasi insia akwaba na watimi de asɛm ka ɛde aba asɛm ka ne susu aso nyinaa ne sɛ nneɛma bebree wɔ hɔnom a ne kana ayɛ kana but ehia yɛn sɛ ka iti biribi adanse anka aka yɛn ho a me antimi akeka ka nsɛm bi sɛ ankyerɛ yɛn ho a na ama yɛn ni ama yɛn ho so ntɛm a yɛbɛ ho ana afei obi de 6 adan yɛ 9 na obi de susu aso nua adan yɛ kwaye ti botae di bere o nyina ne sɛ obi sɛ nsɛm ahodo akwasi bɛkeka nsɛm no bi wɔ hɔnom a wote ye ampa o sanke jato we di refi yɛn kakra we di ampa yɛ sɛ sɔre waka enti fi sa bere ko bia no bo sɛ akwasi nsia no me bedi kita ho kama mesrɛ wo onye nipa o da bɔkɔ sa ti wo hu na hwɛ ni ye na nsɛm obi ti bi di apia fi na no baba akwasi ma chi ma Yeah, come on. Oh, it's good to meet Akwasi. Besi ya ko tenya djuma keto. Ede do nyame adom. Ya ka bom ya be share wa. E fie boko.
E fie boko. Na so.
What dan wo hu say asesa.
Kwabna asesa na Friday no baby Sam say Dominic. Baby Sam say are bibi call so vast day na ma. All of us say dey vast day we no.
Asesa. Very worrying. Very worrying.
Yeah. Asesa ma. Yes, what you want say
If I so do unkoko otra konongo na kodu kumasi na udu techima na weekend na me wo na office na otise mfraba na ebo no minim ha de be wura mu na mu say ba otise mfraba na nkasa na emu ohia nkasa ma sa bibi
omo polo so de mo
die too much
nkoko ne briefo ne de e bo mo dwie
anopai
de kwabda boko se bia hye ye
bibia kama just the fie na me economy no Korani didi dudu etiama Asema na beka cha
na be woka about efie economy asem ye nwanum national service for no
yes
esem fa so nto aban panifo nim se abosome nan mu no mo we
4 months
omo allowance ne mai
ada omo nko sa hyehyɛ foforo no mo se omo register den
omo ye bibia wie omo verification bibi also mo ye for akatwa no say babia no ya count obia number of days you dey ekọ adwuma ama babia no won pani na sign every but sister say February mo we ekọ we abosome nan emu no
would you say da o twe be di nko mo
problem for hwe na omo kan wasa kwabra de ba kwem say na o twetwe mu na woni anochwa ba e kan wasa e sanitary part ne da
ma mo ase no
yes ne bonaiden
o pad no
sanitary pad ne bo aye den ama se ye kasai kwabra me ka eniema ye maame no bi edi siesie wo ho ye nua man mo bi edi siesie wo ho a o se be fem tamwa enka na ye didi siesie ho ebre bi atwam a empanifo bu amane ka kire se oba ne kuro mi se oba se ka once sa o pad within a day depending your flow kra no between 2 to 3 times. But a sanitary pad bore up from 5 Ghana cedis, about 8 Ghana cedis in 2022. First quarter, 5 to 8 Ghana cedis, first quarter of 2022.
Wow.
Second, third quarter of 2022. And the page here at the court 15 Ghana cedis. Pardon. And now I'm not say. A bit turn as high as 22 Ghana cedis.
Well, on time as you, the all cano. Ebiana agron, Debia, the Macayan candy, which calculated is here, and I was a Mosocra with 22 now. Maza, no crap, pan say. Sad ye we are very, very important. Junior manum, ye enemy of us, and ye nanum. It is here, now, pen once a man can. A madu dona said, we are potentially in Krum Kuman. What they are going through and what they are applying at that time of the month to replace Saturday, we know. It is from 5 to 8 to 22.
15 to 22 cedis.
Too much.
And it's a ma air top. Now, Kwabena, what a director, so I can't, yeah, mammy be any more deal come. I think says Kodo Aisha.
Yeah.
Any mammy be deal come actually. I did already replace the pad no muntimi and tono. You already say so. Yes, should be my director patrol. May I'm not and come out your money actually.
Wow.
6 CD, ne 5 CD. But I say I know a cost ropa na boy ding. 25 CDs. I thought I mean yes canon to. Into 0 and I me use to say. First on 5 CDs, ne 6 CDs. Who could have 5 out to me, 6 CDs when ye be by Siciano. 25 cedis na kwosoro ne boy din etoda me use one pad na one ba etoda nso a musu bi won so musu 1.5 yesra na asisi ade enye memo ayedin pa ya wo mba yo no kai ye honde eyedin yentumi nto ma ye ho ene ye mba no ti yesra abansa ye pa na chonhwe na manyama mu nkofo mai me to na ba asisi ade ayedin ntimi nto ya miensa ni nyina tiro na ye yusu sese
pardon you say ni boy the first no near turn 5 cedis say 22 30 cedis into more ye dey me my 4 omo yinyi 18 17 15 last one 13 years me na me top ad mom so mo nye adwuma ti me na me support ti mo hwe won bibi nya mo nye mai me so me use bi nti me kan ho 5 me to first near turn 7 cedis say ba kon edu 20 cedis 100 Ghana. And minister send ye use tiro. And send the tiro no po ye ntumi nto. Nti say ye koye ni say tiro no cry edu 4 cedi set 2 cedi 50 pesos. Nti no so 4 no so calculate na hwe. Ya wo 4 na ye bre. Ye mako school ye the way so be ka ho a. Enye better sa.
Eti oban epino no. Say tiro na busan say pa no ko to ne kura na timi so. Emoje nim say na campus tiro.
Akwesi no kwene say ade bia odwuma edi.
Yes.
You know, anope mo fanche see edi san komo yi. Obo ana bia me cafe no wa set breakfast for the family no. Mo be didi me say mo fanche. It's important that we talk about this. Hwe tiro no odwuma edi. Ana eye pad nso ewo dwuma edi. Kan e kwa de ye maame mo no mo twetwa ntoma. Na omo de ntoma na edi say dwuma no. Ene ya pagya mu. But say ne pa e be sa go back to tiro. Na I replace the part. E hun sunsan so e de be breye no. Nti nkomo say ye chance say dey say e kwan be na betimi afa so a enipa dodo na titiri ye potem ni nkura no. Ona timenya this at a reduced price.
Oba na quickly yes antwe abampanifo adwen ensi so mpacho mame city newsroom story no da mame city newsroom de no. Na kwabra nhwa ade. Eto ya eda pad so ewo yemba mu no eye 35%. 35.
Next MPP government will scrap tax
on imported sanitary. Yehwe date no
August 22, 2020. Nti bra na ye be second term ama MPP amanyuko.
Yes.
Wonu ebosha wonu say.
Asem mo kache ni. Na before that na ye ne aman bi ti say Uganda, Rwanda, and Nigeria, and the two eda ye pad eso. And as how my me saying eto no free wonum. Ghana da so gina ye na so ama 2020 ye ko general elections no NPP share Ghana for bo say ye din hye be gu akom eto na eda sanitary pad so na ma ro wo eto na eda sanitary pad no ye classifying as luxury tax.
No sanitary nie luxury.
Eto that tax e pad so no classification akogera e won say e part of the luxury taxes and the
account. Either scrap or take off that luxury aspect.
Yes. Obana 2014.
Yes, 2014.
Bank of Ghana, a World Bank, and the Ghana Bank call and Shebi. I say because at that time, not part require 3 to 5 Ghana citizens.
I think I recollect that.
Yes. Na empenfon timi, yamanu timi and Tom Mama. At the World Bank, the Ghana Bank or Pam say, young to sanitary part no and Chema and Mayu was custom.
And you cassette here.
Yes, now him. And the can't be my World Bank, I withdraw. And who free Salim say, Adama for cassette here. It is hard ya withdraw. Am I buying a suspend here? Now look at the Akoma World Bank exercise and from them. Tia the way. Bahamas Sanitary Pad Initiative is demonic Samyoku.
That's 2014.
2014.
4th July.
Yes. Said John Mahama ni abino abeji a manu moja and the Aquanian command. This is how ye candidatia Sanchez we ya NPP by ye wametwaso. A 2 year that sanitary pad so baba ye free wo. Amia maminum yenya manum ekuma helmono when you fronum. Now 2014. There was a report by World Bank and in Penford be a UNESCO able to just say because of sanitary pad buana air at that time they between 3 to 5 Ghana cities 30% of Yama co school now busumi nyina no o school 3 weeks within a week 1 week na woman no be boom salon ko because you be a own team in yeska and top pad no it moja message no be school na mfa for esre no yes raban mo fa ose enyo sanitary pad eto no NPP kaka o kire mu say that was going to be one of the reasons it here Ghana for to aba fam mo ampa Ghana for the ose ayo to aba de ama NPP ye confince am yesam nie da ben eto na that sanitary pad so no ye be e dey free one
agosi na me shraw me da CP asemedika all the time this week next week all the weeks obesha akosinsia broad way by ye enjoy no in the advocacy say sanitary pad independent luxury product there be sanitary pad ayade nyama ye nuama no ti akwan bi e be fa so a asa akwaye boshe from the New Patriotic Party one be man aba from no into sanam ye ko e di ho no ebro.
Simbri, a chita for you. Okay, most of us precious. Boy, ni me who club, and Besamosaka, and me who precious. Precious, imbu, precious. Washa OD. Oh, Chinam giddy. To the obvious, Obiabwa. Win an Ankasani, win an Onuani. Obian Adom TV. You are joy. Adom TV. You are joy. And Stromani at the pump. Any money at the pump. Oh, I know Musia Saka cry. I was here for Adepama. I don't see any radio show. Kobaye. One more monster. No, Juma Adepam. Omana Mesaka way a winner. I have Professor Keba Adepam season 2. Mark Atansuni second winner season 1. Onuni Akwaba. Yana. Nana why na mo support no? I know they support you munyina. What about Yamobi? Me vote am munyina so bi. Keba oni. Mark why na support Victor Chum. What vote am Victor? Anayano. Takwada man for nyina vote am no. Mommy an shine nia obedi nkuni. Why pan no. Takwan me yes senior. I had the legend. Akuma Mama Zimbi mommy. Me to chama all day every day. Me da say. And Shuma grand finale. Me ba choden na waka tree nyina. In fact, your man ya dear. Your nieces na ya dear. Your granddaughters and sons no my dear. And the chaperones, trainers, voice, you know. Missing colleagues in your back as penny for. It means say any moshasi and yamokwa. Where your mom who their strength and what they can do. With the encouragement, Emma, I will phone in Yinara. So body first, second, fourth, and half feet no. There is something unique in him or her. And to Buano, now on to me, Emani Eni, na ye and so ye. Next year, the Eba band, the Eba grow. And see the money I say. Me da say. You can't in now, no. Do you imagine as winner for a Summer Plus? Ekoma, Victor, Chum, Apopo.
We are brothers and sisters, one family, one Ghana. Oh, Adom TV, the shining star. That's Ramity. I was saying, I'm going to say, Moshan Shamaji, I mean, the sister Sandy be a guy, Pacho, my crowd.
Emunu bedu nkran poponi mantem ha no kutuka wie mu hyen ginabia nipa pepia nkoma efi achichi ne benche ene kutwa hia na dodo na ba behwe se no kre se krisen atwu ene de na sha daka mu ya na ya reho na wie mu hyen de free turkey eba Ghana no obeduru ye pe ene asojafo a mo matira kiti ekopeja daka ya wo mutu o na ne baako na kire se no kre se Ghana ye de share Christian achu waka nchine egu asojafo yi e de Christian achu emu e de kosi pete mu a asofofo mo ba bia ye ho no ejina ho e bom pai.
We pray, O God, that you receive the soul of your son Christian Achu Chasam, whom you have called to your eternity. Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
And ya suffer from penny for in Kwana Koye, Nipper Titri Akese, and Sukopia Honomoa. Omkoshia Mui. Christian Nachu, the Busia Penny, Ejia Casemua, or can some Kakra, Additional Manfua, Omokopi Kutukari Muchen Jinabiano.
On behalf of the Trasan family of Adam, and on my own behalf as the elder of the family, I'm giving money that has contributed since this thing happened to today. We are grateful. We are saying, we thank you, we thank you, we thank you.
Oman Penina Bedechiri, Dr. Baomianso, Esanavira Hopa. Segana Nidishia, Yao copy BD or Teki. And some say, Atuno.
Like to extend my condolences to all of for this deep loss. Condolences to the footballing fraternity who played for the Black Stars, and he was much loved, and we will sorely miss him. Like to extend my condolences. Painful loss, a very painful one. But as the good Lord says in the good book, that from him we came, and to him shall we return. We pray that the soul of Christian Achu is in perfect peace in the bosom of the Lord.
Prosper Harris Senado, GFA General Secretary, Oronsu Kasama, GFA Kuna, Dodona Etiebi.
And in the past few days, we've heard so many that he did without broadcasting it. And many are sharing testimonies about how he supported and helped them. We are reminded of the joy he brought to us. And on that note, the football family would stand shoulder to shoulder with family and indeed the government of Ghana, so that together to our star who brought joy to our hearts.
And the papa no, and I chew what a ten one and quadra brimans and a winya blue chili contrage. Abdul Haye Yati, on Cheetah FC, Pobokuru, on Oeko Frabai. On Senavira Hopa, on one at Titia Brantia, Okopia Manone, Ekosiakai.
I remember on the first day that he had to take the first flight to FC Porto. I was at his airport to see him off, and when he sat on the plane, he actually sent me a text message saying that Mr. Yate, I really appreciate you. I'm not going to return. I'm going to succeed on these trials. He was left with 10 days for the January window 2010 to be over, and he said he was going to succeed. He was going to make me proud. He was going to make himself proud. He was going to play football to the highest level, and the world will hear the name Christian Achu Trasan. Whatever he said to me when he boarded the plane, he have done it, but it saddened my heart that his last flight back to Ghana was the one that I have to come and then receive his body. But I think I'm very proud of him.
Say Achu ni munu apa bedro my Ghana munu. Ebusuafo so mo kwa kwehia no moni aban na atwendwene ho sebre potin ben na beboa na branti a wafiri mu yi ye no ato onom na yakokra no nti da mo de be ye no ebusia so mo de beba na Ghana fo so mo ni tete ho saban gitumu say ye bodwa data na atwu de kwasi boni be kan last respect no o mo nyina nya kwan no mo de amma no.
Well, yasa by the mwina masi ya twain komono so anum say haye Badwam on Adom TV multi TV. So I make say no kono pepe na ye pejai muna afi wakoso ahwe Adom TV because your nyoma eye papa ana ede emamo. Yaba in paying for Tenase, era Daniel Ni Quate Titus Glover, what Tenase, a former deputy minister of transport, former member of parliament at Tenase, and a part of the communications team for the New Patriotic Party. Sounds sooner, for in your Bema, Yanana, Yekunu, Ebibia. He has always been part of us. Once why missing in action, there's a new Kuya. There's a bossy baby share Bushia Kakra because Tissima and a Bushia came. You know, one fine channel, a call to duty in the Dawson, a Bushia dear or Namford dear or party dear or Ghana dear or Honum. Inti a friend name say Abdway Pumakwema in your Bema or Henny Bequin. Can name my shibrini upper west Achim and so at Tenase. In another, the end so can you can see us and find him. You see him that. Oh, Aquaba Fisher Panso. I have been going to tell you. You share na chair. Latter part of the year now, I'm so. Oh, Kakremi. He didn't command a coffat. Ukrumu Komam say, Papa, okay, quite on my head. I had the Akaka. Now, a crabble. Boko. Okay. Bibia Namekwazo. Oh, Viana Namekwazo. Much a shame or ye as NDC. Much a more ye. Papa. Say a sign called Giacuno. What person was Sakoji? I can be asked on fear, say. And we're patron the quarter or more. That's the right word. A patre, a patron, a quarter. This apri no patron a mass on the edition move from. Oh, around 1,600. 1,600. Yeah. And then a better sir. Who had the MPP for your pressure so far? And then a better how many passes on my journey. Oh, Upper West Achim win it there. Obi Bekachoana. I don't I'm in person discuss initially, but Sabrina, I can see. Now I always call it a cosmetic win. So there's NPP did very well from their national level because Upper West Achim Sita, it's the only Achim seat in Eastern Regional since 1992. We need that. Now it's on record say anytime they come to power, they put in all their effort. In the way it was a project from their national level. In to be a Gabi, they were all there. You see, now guys are true the women so what they did is to bring people from outside over 6,000. You complained several yes, to complain. Finally, we say let's leave it. To the band, Pimusia be gumbeto. Now be nyabe Pima Haisia. He tells you, say, I'm very nice to me. So they say, dear, men can once and be bring them far and saying, whoever wins our primaries, we will take the seats. I see. But abandon your impact to her. Oh, then abandon. Or acquiring issue, Kania, Suku, Apple. Many was actually 14. I think you know me. A baby, my ADC paying him. Time I owe no. Be a national program. Buying Chebiano. A more fee. The e-blocks about such time. And a launch project no ho. In your NDA. Acquiring. In your NDF, it is someone. Sometimes your friend has on the road. Them make come attack as someone. Best be far days 2 contractors they be good so. A bay so you mind a copy mass a man can see. So just say, about we buy, you know. Yamina Maker. There's no national project. Me MP them say ambulance na a chair because Giena wants to have a Jacosi. I see one friend saying one district. Oh, I'm so Brad, the minority health committee section go around. Yeah, I can't do. Yeah, I can't move up. I was at him. Young choir, baby, almost see a hospital. No, about so. No, monsieur, Mobesio. Na aka. Ya di fidie, ebe goose no, be me nimuni. Bibia enkoso. Na ehwafu. Nti apa was achim de in terms of aban programs are all kind ni ade nyina no. Bibia enkoso. At the end of course you some of the challenges apa was came from. It did kind of rose. Who said me can want some. Apa was achim a rural community. Let me put it that way. Ya kwan nyina no. Uyi ye kwan kese a efin sound besi kwasa makese. Highway. Na uyi Mipom Junction. Efa Krodua Breman kwa banya noa ne ye ne
would see East Waboshi, could be a fro, a huntem. No central region. Now, Kofa Poko Soya, a honor. I used to now name Akokwan with Poko Soya. Now, could see more Mancron Junction. Now, the Farcos Wedro. And now, when I say Aquino, 50 Bray, ye, Mipum Junction, a honor me community, maybe if you are Abamcrum. Abamcrum no deep, maybe a secondary school in Wa, Quabanyan or 110 right, 4 kilometers. Me from small London. Now, we do for instance small London, Kokwasi. Ye, Quino, and then I say, couldn't be. You do too. Oh, Adiegu. Maintenance be a masoda. Obi of us are going to be any.
Maintenance, dear. To the best of my knowledge, I don't pay the me catch you. It has been on suspension for the past 2 years.
I'm talking about years. Since 1996, I builders are acquiring.
Oh, okay.
It was under the.
I'm even talking about maintenance, normal maintenance.
Honorable Samuel Salasmens and Bresso.
And then Nasem.
I was by then the youth organizer of the constituency. And the year 1996. Enya any maintenance to school for bus na da kwa banya no. It me for kwine so. Because obon a betom no enye porto
to that extent.
To that extent. Intended na me kan kwan wasem. Ntinka wo ka highways e wo wa na nka no na kan. Na nka. Akwan aka ni nyina no eye sebe feeder roads a konkrasinim. A etwe nnuane ba. Adesu ye market center. Asamankesi wo ho. We feed Bojuasi too, and we feed Kaswa from the constituency. Akwani na say.
Now, what draw the attention of the sector minister?
Oh, if you say Bribi me Bahama, Amakata Baye, say Kakrebi, and so Abamcrom people no me can goose cement. I go say this top you do. Omugu just about.
Crocodile Joe and about you.
Manuka when you want yet.
Sakwan and a contractor was the
Oh, Sakwan
move free or no? Na mo the contractor to so e kakwan na on be hwehwe mu bi na na
e kakwan a ye fi ho no na Mipom junction eko na ye kwan na aban no ani woso a na waye studies bi eso mo ye the engineering studies are on be baso aban ni fi so no eno ano no me kan yim am say when I was the MP almost started kwan bi fi esemankasi kwan mu be fa ba bi fa watimatim abefa ya so eno na meka se eno kwan a omuba yi wato so aye sa kwan no ufi wa apa was atim feeder roads na nye
aba apomudini adisua wo sabiti
apomudini adisua apomudini de kakra yetimi ye no ananka enim se
as in the previous administration
NDC
administration
oh yes under my watch is see chip centers me time na you see a very saying kwesinyako chip center and this time Abamcrom chip center
omo fa bia me fiafia
ho bia me kan ho ye
na me ho ba bia o ti na wo kasa no
na ko makanse mana ye ntro hada they should come and tell me try project under my watch I starting po amenwie me former MP honorable Joseph Mkwando I started chip center e we krubie for weskesu be buy any am boss cry esopa we use me health fund be managing your boss so plaster a two inside tiles nya de nyina me fia be mo besinde
ento aso
enchiremu yanko Mipom mso mba ofro no wache Mipom ye ba bia sabe health facility ketewa bia enipa yare a emema ni ma nyina edadan krom the community called me na me name branch
community be me pese be
Mipom
man me mada be
me se me ka kiro into under my watch na me name branch executives are ewo 2 electoral areas that ward even one crack contribute to cement
towards the project
na me start how do you call it
facility
award anka MPB started bibisa be bia wo mu hia de etesa me say omo fa me do lentil level omo fa one block grant so besine
hey
ebisine hwe me start chip compound e wo kro me body ni matrew e wo kro bi efe watimatim omo agya mana hye wuremu ama egya kra ahye no tesma me ka trew no
the day na okaka na no pe
enye ni da asemo I was the DCE from 2012 to 2016 so that time me see wie ya me see egya ahye no the people of watimatim they are watching me I terrible apa was such terrible terrible ina me ka trew Nti wo hwesa ne me nyina. Na Wednesday ya kwa nyina nye. Na bibia nkoso. School fufuro bia meka ho ye.
Omonye renovations bia ho.
Oh, me. I say me kasa dodo. Nti no we are still calling they have 2 years. Ghana cake ni ye cha. Apa was atim so ka ho bi.
Okay.
Apa was atim nya soro ho, de bia na ma kyerem. Ye nsam, ye ne nsam adwagi na bohye. Na ye ne ye vreni sen, ezaman ka zizo akobohye. Ne ye ni ayi nsua no. Former menu ayi pe ya na menu ya ne na ko na menu ndc na akobohye. Ye bohye with 8 different constituencies.
Okay.
Yes, Rabbi no. Now can friends say ni MP no. Say you hwe.
Daniel ni kwatai Titus Glover.
Me am senior me na
o si ye hwe.
No hwe.
Sa akwaba ni.
I'm just
na me dal mo so boto ta say a very good player.
Oh, I check that was a very normal share World Cup last year.
But we are control 9 there's still kakra.
Na say me ja active football that was 93-94 Premier League.
Wow.
Me bo afenya.
Oh.
Me wo picture with Joe Famie. Hearts of Folk, any Black Star player. Na say me lecturer bi ehun na the man say on picture you baby na me say I've been playing soccer all my life.
Really?
The last season was 93-94 football season. And I'm me
I see. Because there was a ball.
My contemporaries were Joado Shamokwe.
Hey.
Me bo has baby 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. And I'm a bar Accra Coats. Sandoviakwa.
Yeah, Sandoviakwa.
Obo Hearts of
Yeah.
No, Obo Kaiser babies. Obo 7. And the member 7. And then we moving to call 9 and boss 7. Brighter being about Great Olympus. And no about 6 money. Brighter being MPP communicators in the back. Fofana.
Yeah.
Fofana.
Yeah.
No obo 3 money. My bobo like inti. Where the na mechia me brother. Why fresh papa.
Say abayani ya.
Na because is a nasuma juno. A human way as a member of parliament, you know. Unanso the stress that you go through every day. I do baby crana. I don't know.
As a member of parliament.
Me come as early as 3 years for him and your bow prum. Your bow prum. Skakakra walk around the sacra bani and go over come just to satisfy these people. And the most unfortunate part of it is that people sometimes are ungrateful. They don't appreciate what you do for them. They don't. In the Juma member of parliament, they wouldn't from we are. They want you to sumusa. Na I am the same huno. Other members of parliament, more free parliament. Some of them are like paupers. I'm telling you, they live like paupers. You be the cronibi. What just coming na? Kakro di besi enkwano. Especially when you even go for 1 term.
You don't subscribe to 1 term for the above.
Me say we call 1 term. Because you know, says we call 1 term.
Yeah.
And how do you plan? If you got loan to go their premise, and you got Jibo the Gachaba, no dinya go to yaka. So for me, I'm telling you, me today in Temais I serve like a godfather. Issues with bar, me bana me chiche moi. Say they consult me. I'm fine. We'll help the party. But pass me trying to me come of parliament. But when you see Kebia, I'm for me, Papa. We know man, so this business of parliament is terrible. Let us see how
the kind of system we operate now is terrible.
You understand?
Because the kind of system, how we operate things.
Because you say others you need to encourage them what?
Yeah.
On your full car no doing someone no do so.
What TSC?
Obetra wa office. Say the office wa be boom wo na wa boom no aba. Wo gina soro kra no wusu fo wu. Na wo ye mashew. E be sada no kra no petrol kra na wo gauge no kra da yellow. but ɛyɛ som a yɛaka sɛ yɛbɛsom nti mɛdana se in fact waka nsɛm bebree wohu sɛ ne ɔbobɔbɔ ne nkuro no I tell you there is a man on the ground especially a wayɛ DC da ɛbobɔbobɔ kuro no so sɛ na ɛsi kɔ no because wohwɛ part of central region wohwɛ part of, because we wure more constituency no ma from somewhere Nigeria that's the first constituency on Namkwanso na wo kɔ mami dede no mu ɛkɔ on the left side no oba hu mi pop side no ɛkɔ to central region no ɔno so bɔ hye wɔ hɔ wo kɔ onuma na lower west achim asamankase wɔ hɔ da yensu ano so wɔ hye baabi any tajole thing ɔmo keka ho I know that road so much because my baba Penny Echo St. Roses.
Okay.
And me call about 2-3 me see me baobi. Those days me 2013 2014. Na kwa nenye kura. Enye kura. And the monza mo hwe bibia se de. Ye buy so ya betwa so. But also the demand of road and construction obi apebi. Ye 275 no or twi bi. Me so me twi na we twi. And when you did na unya kakra na wada wanyame ase na me hwɛ sɛ menya adom another DC na at least no mo mam information bi said they all can say ye dey ntumi ba say for the past year buy no ye ntumi nya ɛhɔ na me ne me nwa anya adwi kakra ɔntumi ka sɛ opisa no sa so ye nya hwe kra ɔsi ye nya hwe
impact bi na no me trɛ wo kwan ba ko a ɔmo hyɛ ase a wɔayɛ ɛyɛ etimatim kwadwa no kwadwa ma on your left etimatim eba before Adom the crew we frɛ wo yaso ne hona ne mame ene ne
the DC is Adom
no the MP
no
yes ye frɛ wo yaso ho kwan no omo hyase fi it's a district to district linked road if ayensuya no omo starting na me I was the MP then
okay
omo ba ye no that kwan no one complete I said it and nam ibe fi me kan ko fi sare oba baby for roko
okay
ko anim roko na ko yaso na wa na ko kodwama eno ne kwan yan ba ya it used to be a feeder road but make say it's been upgraded now
to third road
into a third road as I wouldn't take it away from them
yeah member Adom ene DC never say
oh Eugene Saki
yeah na menya the next discussion abeba bi
we no fi mu a
bibia ni
ho abam krom ma agiri ko a kumi krom
na dan itimi shi owura mu
me was so afraid because it is the duty of the DC and this is project
okay
I used DDF ni de ko do that
okay so
and uka we a is a year tema is so akwa no kumala ko nya yo kumala me si kumala shelling ko nya ye me opposition ni dikan ye wo 1966 10 years after my birth me suma me committee one dwom me ko committee one dwom a ye twere eniama me ko to ne nyina ni nuanum ma totonton niama e wo dwom ho anti kabuki anti aleno nansa me ko na makotra me anti ne chento obodi dwa ne nyina na dia mame na me da befie na kwasua dwa so sa ho no is a bulk bay nduane fi adeso nsamom na de nyina no a brode de begu
mo abetu
ya betu ni ye de ko e fom a na de duane ye di wonu na egu fom no wo hu efini ateke egu fom a obra wo didi da efi pa na zoom lion container yi de si ho sabe no ye MC wotama ena yesika kakra my common fund any there's a money they give us we free sescano ena me boa no I have to concretize the entire floor. Me the concrete solid. And I say dware any adan any toilets because I'm free. E crossing the bar. I'm baby omoda. Boys so harazo mo sa nti be sit down na me chemu akotufo de baako brody ni banjefo de baako and me dware any toilet count. Na omunti omunda. In opposition because G bank loan and na moko bankuma electoral area omoko bush ni mu never base for flat mo no bush mo no eni musi ho no about tank come I took a loan and I built 46-seater WC toilet 46 across half from the day I see you know they still like the free range in opposition and I'm yes idea they toss you those days so Sabre na common fan ba if anything na free SHS in buy ehu nkwala mu agina people no supporter eye we nyina afache everything me see on for block back say ko hwe dey cause recently me national health insurance uba tema 5 constituencies tema east tema central tema west bonkata manso and ashama national health insurance office no committee 8 na beku isoba kaya one of the conditions of SHS oboko school so nya NHI ka ayeka uyare ya uko school na tumi and the kwala tumi salai every committee DP the abo te ya the salai say the pie the ba bonten na me say no this cannot happen me say kanu sa no na me uko my polyclinic e wo Newtown wa me see okobo be bo me na me boya no me wie 2020 na me say Dr. Jani Selby chief executive award na me pay furniture and the computer so that we can start assessing the facility one juma nyama me na pension okobo ba ya na me ko su kile no ye mama ya ene ye bia no one is be exactly 3 weeks and jomo nko committee di ho biom and then we got them a Newtown there's full NHI office at the age and the
but it's not beautiful for the country because opposition
you must get networks even in opposition I fought as I said that when MDC GMPC for DC 100-bed hospital in opposition I procured the land and let me maminda honorable Makwayongo my colleague former defense minister sasa sine da ho no that's so and the mima pressure me call na so many casas and no try just 60 feet and I become senior this is the feet what am I going to use you don't help me and I your mama so sisano and odi benku bo bae odi benku bo na me call benku bo so na kumbo was our leader majority leader and just asina me say me penna colleague no MC no and the odi onu so achọ so pa the same assassin so it was fixed in the fix I say MP you are busy on passes so what do I do and the only afote go kasa say call the 2 people na mun kasa na mun they will release it and then this the free power ye ba power na me chroma nitu oba assassin so with the Navy chief of naval staff was the aka nya mfama no quickly NHI o ma yeska bi every year be a parliament be calculation mo MPC ye TV bi kakra di mai to do health related projects me yi music do traffic one this and then we see 100-bed hospital GMPC
okay so that's just by way of ED and common intro ye kwa by be kan sem kakra for enia achu late na fe ya TSC ye common ankasa even before ye common proper no in a fight against illegal mining still omo ye hwese so mbeti me aboy any mom no ebinomo anamontu no ye kwa e ba e medisa. Well, as I said, I'm going to say, "Try come on, so I'm going to say we are or Henry Queen, can I? My ship Virginia, Upper Wasakim, and Afira, Daniel Niquate, Titus Global, so I want to see. Yeah, by come on to proper, but we cannot without talking about a year late Achu. In fact, the expectation of reasonable percentage of Ghanaians, then your news, we were still hopeful, say, Ibi Hununa or alive. Unfortunately, Antimia Manisa, Anti Enradana Emuni Beduye, and the FA, the Vice President, the family, and all those who mattered. Ewona Brabo, Mubapim Da Erade, Etos a friend, they were there, and they ran commentaries about him. In fact, the BOR I didn't know. Because Bibuma, a prison for Sundia, it tells you the impact as any Pacono. Na me nim Ukraine or member abusua yere neba emma ana afi abusua mo mu nyina yakoba ono quick ones na afi ntimi emfa
yebema ne busua the nucleus family or yere nim ma no yako any extended ones no ma me ne nuanom no nyina no yema mo yako in fact that yem chem no see no few days no na message ba say you no na yanyina na yeni age say ye hu ye nua no but the children na yet say it was a mistaken identity a babontin na wo hwe earthquake no rubble na a dynasty good form to the extent say the Turkish authorities could not even withstand, and they started calling for external support. America, London, Russia, China. There's a beer edin na ye Bible say ye be hu ye nia achu. But a many call a new na say I didn't say there's a corner bedding. Na me tashani program be or sponsor with the prison inmates. Will be just about 1,000 Ghana cedis, 500 Ghana cedis. Not because we needed not the prison. Only host of that program, yes, I didn't know. He touched a lot of lives. Na footballers in Bebre, they hardly do adoye. So almost years or so, there are a lot of people who do a lot of good, but they prefer to go on the quiet. But actually, you know, ako you beer na do you know it's public, so at least you can hear and feel and never know among for sunu the life that he's been touching and na aka among for the door baby. And apart from prison, there is one what you see Nigeria ni migrant also the which I don't know what has happened. Obuano ebi o share news whatever ono na wa frɛ na wa release kind of the amount mo fa na mo yes ade na said the papa say no mo nche. The good ones normally they don't last. Is it the tinting papa no enche wo kwayem because eye tinting na say kway na attractive no ehun sika na pa na watwa. But the ebe kaka say Ghana ya hweda de papa. Black Star World Cup your koyi obobobo no far better than most of them that were sent there. And I'm surprised. Say achu yan to me I'm friend to the team to play in Qatar. Ebi omogo no bottom chaka yomogo when you have a talent like this na ya kai die say na medi kan kai no vice ko ho FA officials any etitiri for bibiri ni busanfo nyina oko any ambassador to Turkey miniaba Francisca omo nyina omo bai enti emine dane do a ya be kwa go busia no na yakokata na chi kra nti ye mabusia for Ghana we have lost a gem. We've lost a talent.
Yeah, minya. I'm say edi kan no. Trust am just ade nyina mu ye fasida manyame. Ya sida mpo no say yetumi hu na mu na ye ba kra. Na ye oyi ne kese a eto oman abra na sem no bae no say na wo kan no na ye nyina ye mpa bo no say be hu ye nua be ma na otiase na ya danyame ase. And so the nyame pe na oye woni bremu so ani pe ntumi nya den entiase dina etwa se ye de aseda e ma no na ne dwumadi a odi na de nyina nso edadi pefe ma obi anso ye den ehu ebe mabusuan yakọ ne wono ma ne yere ne ma adofo hodo aka ho nyina ene oman ni nyina ya ma yakọ isanse ni see ewo last time I was listening to a Muslim cleric. I see, within 45 seconds. 45 seconds. You actually need to see it. Enipa, and maybe do at the best yes, you be a trail Yankopon holding. And maybe Sano, I said to me, can life and our thinking about the way we relate to God. You know more, you're medium. It happened, a natural disaster. As a simple was in 45 seconds. A man from Chihuahua being in us, so do a minute.
And you knew
when you cannot imitate Papa Edwanenu. And yes, my back. Yes. Look at what happened. Nti Tiasia Yentrasi Merade. You Usua.
Okay, so on this note, back to life. We are trying to come on this one and say the NDC has long expressed concern over the very large size of the current government and shares the view of most Ghanaians, including civil society, that it must be reduced, bearing in mind the current massive economic mess the country has been plunged into by the Akufo-Addo Bawumia government. Despite numerous appeals President Akufo-Addo has quite characteristically remained adamant and tone deaf. The leadership of the NDC has, against this backdrop, directed the minority caucus in Parliament not, emphasis is not, to approve any of the new ministerial nominees and to further push for a reduction in the size of government with a view to reducing the needless drain on scarce public resources. In this moment of haircuts, the most important thing the government can do is to do a governmental haircut. Our directive to the minority in Parliament, we believe strongly aligns with the genuine sentiments of most Ghanaians. Enough is enough. Oh, Queen. Yeah, that's why the party in paying for their common more Brazil. No,
I'm drinking Ghana for.
I'm drinking Ghana for.
I'm say, me better transi ya kasa minchia. Adeshe, one of my show and one of my ATU program or various platforms. Nti me fasa kwenye na me de inchia kesiye ama Ghana for share this big program. Bejo me de bebia obi ahwe. Yeah, me wo me penin bi wo me krum abam krum. Ya brofo di ni abam kuku ase. The small landing of Upper West Achim. Your friend Mr. Dugan.
Mr. Dugan,
a retired teacher, former assemblyman. Obasu pe, we will cry no deal about the slow, another friend, honorable. Ko Omahinaba. Teacher Michiao. And my constituents. Upper West Achim. Upper West Achim, the Biame de Metra, me Kaimo, and yes, so we can't up and coffee drink Kosovo. A constituency be a dance our eastern region. I am some other Boshi in some Mankasiako Boshi. Michiao. And then Miami Crawford NDCs in Upper West Achim. I'm saying, and then if you say Kosovo, because then check nominations. I'm also moving there one way out. And you're picking nominations by next week in the idea, and I pick. Then the Mr. NDC party in Upper West Achim, others will important say. The beer we bit me a boy may and sit in the back. Saint Croye. I'm using this your platform. Yemfan Kabum. Normally, or how are Upper West Achim NDC na internal elections na mayenya. Ne did this so I was say esium dakwanya aboy bi ayre.
Uram sa.
Uram bi. Yemfanya disuade. Na yemfan Kabum. Whoever the party selects, delegates elect to lead NDC in Upper West Achim Adesi, you know.
We support you.
Na se biye yi ya nefi ye nkasa ewo ne. And someone ye can proud to the elections. And no me good party in the same party. And somebody be wa obi jemu a enye ye.
Somebody be ye kanu.
E kanu.
Bra ye be praise ye be pray
to me no.
Ye the cha intimi
see. Obi the cha enye ye.
Ko eya
enye when ya obi ti say me a NDC nti me because of NDC bibia be the NDC nya bia no eni kwan mabobo ano. And I'm known to be that. But enye ni pe nyina Mr. Won someone mo kano. On hwedi
obesa ko bi.
Oh me de Kamara ayi owan Minkobio.
Obesa ko bi.
Minkobio.
Obesa ko
bi. Minkobio. Makama mo abeti ati officially no. Man person me can wanted to. Na me ye meetings be I decided to stop. Because na ebufu ane won krofu mu eti sa asem no. Na me so be di party ninya. Na me twesan. Because me person party ndi akoma that from Beko. And this goes to Upper West Achim. And somebody be a Brimukano. And Medmesia. So we come I wish them good luck in whatever we are doing. Now we are ready to help the party to win our seat back. As some NDC Yempeni Fuaka Efa one more Yamampeni assigned one back parliament say send them rachre. Or the 2 means to power nipa. Or the one by parliament. Now you refer one the appointments committee. na watena won so atoto won ano na won agye won atum anase won fo adwen mu won ansa na ba ye fie kase ni mo we call the plenary na ye bobo hu na won abeye mpanyifo abobani di otobi the NDC kan say sabriwe wo hwe ye track record a ya boa aban minority wo parliament a enya minority say ye bitwitwa aban ni nan mu da bi ye de ni say ye beboa aban no ya boa oman no ekanko nti say we are there. One of the major roles that we play in parliament is the oversight responsibility. Say ye hwe ni aban ni yere eye ebra ye wo mu ye nyina nim ni ekoso wo Ghana so ye na ya ebintu o man we da yes ya ko IMF akwa yenko IMF wa sabi yen papa no ne ye maame no ye nua mpanifo a akọ pension e didi tivie won sika kakra wo de asie wo didi wo no kra na aban se mbamjo says guy there mo se mo je ne na asembesi na yen dream se ne wo beto wo ndro wa yaresa ene wo didi ye hu ebi si o memu ada a chinje bi anye den eni ho hwe ne o man aye otimi aye wo se wo koje bosia bosia nka wo se wo mpeda IMF de wo se eye musio but abeni boy na ebehu a ebetumika eye din no wako fantastic we call for it say no butu ebetumi age aban we wo ye wo nhihye no abase sabe wo ka wo dipo no bomode no ni akafo no nyeden enkasa enikita na dan mu kakra what we call the debt restructuring ebi obetu obi sika wona one ne kan be yi a china obi gwa de be chewo asumdie mu no de chewo no de chewo inti ne no chese o boka emi no man no yenim nya bosia hodo aban we fa Ghana man bosia efi nkruma be si ye mampani a okoye John Dramani Mahama 120 billion ni ofa ye eni ne infisiantem Ghana kakudu oman yaka ene say 500 abroso over 500 billion in 6 years ye kan ye trani eka Ghana fuoka mwanti na hwene dia bewi aye chese ahokire wo ho onipa wa me as a former member of parliament kan no etumi bi eta ma bo me full so ti ase full no ma bo ne ma is the best analogy to give you ma bo ne ma na me ko eso tina me ko a me to half ma nanse nanse ma full hit about 20 something per liter no
about 200
now they come edu ba bi kura now they no ayre who dey siwo it sounds say ejuma na wo ye kane no enye na wo ye ne ne MP enye obi ne tua ufuo eto ufuo amanfo nim MPs anya ban ne man fuo na mu edumi tufi parliament awia bibie ni parliament ni break I go to the constituency to the biem ene medwuma ntesa kane no bosumi du ni etua meka yetete meka na adi nyina afi mu a menya kakra ebi na nsa na asa 3 days because of constituency work I get you know 3 days is gone but at least you expect something inti ene ya me sise ne metebia ntesa no I cannot keep on living the life first na me kwa year na me bought house na come na ene mateso ebi kura amenko you understand what I mean because obra na eden asesa so wan hwe ni ye na me nua me si ne kan bibi wan hwe ni ye a obra ba ye basa ebi na ban we ye obra asesa wo wa ho kirem wa bobosia me no man ma oman yi ebre ukusu kura ka che pension fu atiti fie se won sika won de asia won de di ho kura no hwe ni aba na fi wan kasa so e
won sesa hwe
wa brabom wona wuhia moa no won sesa hwe wa brabom hwe ministers awodo a ye ka bebre ntinka kwanya ba sabia won achiwa obi be ma obosia o se hwe wo ka wodim na yini tete woni ema so na ka wo bonkofom aban de wo de wonti Omapani Akufo-Addo na bedi tri ba omia omotie. We know the ministers omo, we know the ministry that they have. Be brave wa. They could have aligned them. Oh, ni bi wa ana your man crofo kan 7 million man. Mzo obede kwabran ana mzo me de kwabran. Di na onim nyansa sa na. And this so people catch yen. Na is 7 akonwa ye tese no. I say ni aye pe no en ne be your mining power mining wu.
Ne de be bo mine.
Enye ne be bo mine no. Sabi na woda so esa new akwanya ba. Anka wo sese ni mama be ye no. Wo de bo na wo ye dey umogum. Obi nti ne kaso fama wo. Pensioner onfa ne sika nto ne wo se wutua ne no. Wo se betua no mfefi manim ho. Hwe ne obi afem. Hwe niema ene kanena free is by no. Yesi ko ka se eka bi wo ho na manfo se menyenka. Ene abaten wo ma e wo free obi anim. Ene sikatua no ayo automatic. Obi ahu se ahotre aba. Enye fees no mutua kra kanena niema nka buy ni ma wo free no. Eni ho. Iti ade na wo so won se wo niema mu. Wo de kana na wo de nipa. Iti ni NPC abaye pese katre o Mampani Akufo-Addo. Na be de chi ba omia ne se o man ni wo ahochirim ono ankasa se wuti yi ye finance minister o si enkosi ye busumi awi ya command no enema anko ya o man ni be bo yesa no kan o si o man ni be bo
e be
budichi wo si amanfo ante wase amu amfa wo sika ni ade wo nchen amanho kwan ma amfa bi anchew entu bi anhye dabra wo de betua o man ni be bo wo nso as a government wonso o Mampani Akufo-Addo no abede che ba omia den na moye mo de kana na moye de mobogum. That is why we are telling our people ye kache MPs minority MPs ni say yes rewo omo mo Ghanafo kwen on betumi abo Ghanafo ni say sa eka no minor edisa dey ba in terms of new ministers how do babegum no they should reject them adentia because sa wuti won tumu a a council now send eba because those appointments no o Mampani wa kwenya say why do we call someone a leader?
So the expectation of the minority is say nanka trade any agree beto honom no na e osenka ohwe within na no ka bi bom na
so many things about on kebi ambuma the ministerial appointment baby ministers bi wa agree say ko deputy say go
ti upejam ba ko eba ho.
So that's it. This is Pejam Kwana say, "Ye in you say, Ebia, a Greek deputy ministers, may 3, and me 3, me 7 of your Mampani. I'm telling you, a Greek ministry in Abeda. You need a minister. If I feel the deputies are on the ground, they don't fit to take up that position now. May reduce the deputies. No, thank you very much.
New one about top one.
You'll be clear bar. May reduce. Ah, Obia betu ebumayo. Come on, what do we call president? Bit me bumaino. Subsena bibi yenya bias la uzugano. O say kai bosi abongo idea mind ya. Go bit me ebubino.
So in this case, mo kotena ho mo nka hwe. Ana mo kotena ho beka bibi. Ana mo kotena ho kra.
Me are very sure the minority caucus in parliament will speak and explain things as to how they are going to go about it.
But it's sad say most man prescribe say ya can't be something as a want to no. Man prescribe say we na yen susuye mu.
I will tell them today. That's why I'm telling you, say, party HQ, the leadership in parliament, in proposing measures to handle their activities. So I know today the minority caucus in parliament will speak. But me say, Mampani Akufo-Addo, can osan elbow mining penny, full osan shiagui and so. Funny on one penny yen in him diemu and yen sacre mo ebema on mine car conformono. Yem one man in boss or canamo.
And your photo finish a genuine consent.
Genuine consent.
Okay. All right.
Very genuine one. Okay. If they reject those people, no. A more minor year a conform.
What are the processes? Seven say Mushia, I say 10 on the appointment committee, we pay with Joe Wise name. The 10 Timo 10 much more. Na 10 pass your mom.
Oh, so far they no. Me from what has you know, they will be there.
Ometrasi. Otrasi we are only omo adwene nko benkro.
And see they vote after every offering they vote.
So 10 imu apai. Dey na mbe.
Oh see ya there. They will bring it to the
na badom.
The report will come. say na nhye ne te no nti on ba kwan bia ye be fa so on be reject won se ya ye na mo man reject won won de omunim kwan am fa so ye won nema na push Ghana fo nyina ni tua won
okay
Ghana fo nyina ni say NDC as a party in parliament the minority ye ne ye betumi bia ye ntwe ne enjai ma won se na na ya boycotting we are not boycotting we'll sit there and state our point and vote against it ye betna ho ya chen ya dua kire won ni ntia ense se omampani akufu ado ni ye wura pani baumia esan di enipa ufo ba se yense ma won posu
okay
emphasica na ye ka me no man no ensa meka wo abra o ka che me ma me me papa e wo ho se ye de ye yi minwi kakra agai se na wo titi ni ese ma hekata enya wo enya wo wadwen no kwa na bepi nti nkrofo eyi wadwen esai epura eyi won haircut and let your bond holders as matter won na wo aban ni de uni haircut aban o mampani ekufuado ne haircut obeya ne say e car e wona mambuo mu the administration of his government no wo mu say no comprising the various ministerial appointments the various executive appointments or one and ni ma ye ni ye no obeteso abafom and that's what we are calling for.
I don't know, it's just this simple prescription on what it's just a simple proposal. Madam, we are cutting hair. Abayin demonstrating. Ghana for demonstrating. Say, I'm any abayin be line. Until abayin come over on the decree more but we still agree. Say, well, I'm a beneficiary there, but abayin it's important as a Ghana to me jina konenim. I don't know abayin taking up same responsibility kakra.
Kobrame da say, mamendi kaina menti adi free ho. Obia hack into my Facebook account.
I did it. Or search his car.
Besre. Semebu obia sebe mingi niska. Semebu obi pass or page you be ya. In charge no. Over the weekend, and I'm a sister Baku. Now the Dekuma or Yasafanya war. The my traditional area catch them say. Akwabi edini chatty say Obama ba immigration. And wa white 300 ya mano and do tears can we answer all frame
we were tried there for cry it's ready they would down
some time pass now go for tiake
oh na 10,000 5,000 money per
mobile we answer na all frame me say kidi me boa wa me na ji skefi o mpacho and the obia wo hwe me anopai mumfa ntudwa mame obi bia o ya sa de no me ni national security and the number na or me fra kwa na say hey cratchy na wo midi na wo di pesca di wunnim baby wo bia mecho he denied it but I've warned him to stay away Cobra asema wo dia tuba masui say NDC for say they going to stop the approval of Omampeni Akufo-Addo the new ministers awapa omwa o kosre mrahye bidwum say yentoto mano na ejuma na odi ma won no mintuba no they want to make sure they will not go through na appointment committee me serving was for 8 years na because akoya hang parliament ninti the vote of the chairman will make the decision at the committee level
13 no
chairman no or one need no because every committee must be odd number you can't have an even number and the chairman ni vote no ever overturning the decision at the conclusion of that committee work no me no they are plenary e hona e be dim sem bumbu na de nyina but clearly we share a dinner Omampeni di akono the only new faces e bo mu no e honorable Asamabuating and Steve Amwa Asamabuating what has happened because the former minister for chieftaincy of religious affairs na no do no kakra for a long time no na no do no and until recently no attend an research say I want to know and to me emfane nyejuma no and the juma no e dia to so you need to fill the gap in the no na ma Omampeni epam ayi honorable Stephen Asamabuating say onkoye na soafo ewo the ministry then Steve Amwa ako trade because Herbert Krapa if he trade ako energy so there's a vacancy there and into the ama if any say Edia Kusi. But what we share senior Katie Hammond. Alam free hono ako sheho. My colleague Brian Champon. Senior Dr. Akutu onusu free wa Greek. I'm a Brian ako sheho. So enye adititibia for me. I want to say NDC for no. I want to make issue out of nothing. You see, clearly the election of Asedum Ketia tells you a kind of signal that they want to position the NDC in the eyes of the public of Ghanaians. I see this as mere anarchist. Clearly, because President Akufo-Addo ayini nkwofo. Now we say you will make sure they don't pass them because of the supposed cost implications that goes to Rita. Why me more argument forcefully, whatever, that exchange program, the situation we find ourselves is not limited to only Ghana. There are a lot of people who have gone through all these challenges. But measures are yet to akwamu enyina ebebobani. Ya busoa yetu say last week, the invitee finance minister Eddie Kromashebejom or the Nasim Kotoho, you acquiring both sides. They make statement out of it. The speaker now rule. She was all you know. I be boy nyano. Odi ato. And we want to make Parliament so difficult.
Demonstrate that the times that we find ourselves in, more so as a bino, more feel the same, more demonstrate the same. You are with us, not to say more kind of cry, more. And kebe then and those.
We have lived past that situation. We share Nyamani muye difficult to say. We share one penny travels. All that is going. He goes on commercial flights anytime he's traveling. Last week the Muse the presidential jet recall retrofitting.
Yeah.
Aba.
After 6 months or so.
Absolutely. The life of the president is so supreme. This is the number one gentleman of this land. That's the security and the safety and win ya. And a sabi and I would never would reach and I would criticize you. And I would sabi or footprint wabia that's a big tuna. Democracy goes with cost. It goes with some cost. And he said, and I'm not to Ghana for Kasa. I said, what? Now he goes in a commercial flight. And number 5. Last week, Otukwai or Ethiopia and a Munich on an engagement on behalf of the state. My name say, I'm sure say, or the flight no plane no presidential flight no and then back. Yes, I can also to admire. And clearly, on one penny no and a man na family was on the in terms of savings. I be bois na a human no yes, you 1 year. Who continue to do it? Nancy, I feel saying, Vice President or Ko Ye War Salaga. They went on the what saying? Bus. From Tamale all the way to Salaga and back. Then they flew back to Accra. When we are in Yaman getting it, that's a beboa. Now, you can't wait every day. So at least the minority are raising issues. Quite a beboa, said, yeah, you see, I to Tiana Danian a beboa. But Angle no diafano and a messerom. It is not going to be helpful. Because Steve Amwa, any Brian, the automatic. Because we need to fill those portfolios.
We could have,
any Steve
but that's
Amwa.
the suggestion. We could have filled it up looking at the number of people are deputies. These 2 major ministries no more. Do are more 3. Do are more 2. Some are quite, you don't feel, you don't see. But Ghana is paying for them. So they are thinking amongst their proposals. How to pay the I then baby one deputies here 3.
Okay, BB say in the first step of President Akufo-Addo MPs no ministers no course. So that me can be. I was a deputy minister for transport and a minister here. But from 120, that's what about little over 80. I mean, look at the quantum of a situation. It means that Nyama de Ankofo Kano Otie to reduce it from 120 to 182 or 185. I'm not so sure about the figure. At least he's listening to what is going, and he's the manager. He's the coach.
But truth is that Ghana, what will be our prescription that any government there should be that cap now, or bar. You are not exceeding 30 ministers, 40 ministers. Because the other way around, President Busse NDC for say, with this fantastic position I'm going to take, it's fantastic because it puts the government on its toes. More prescribe say yen NDC ye ba. This time even ye 75 ni 80 ye do. Ye be ko 30.
Omo bayi. Remember. Na ye kan we dey so no ta no kan no dey. One first have prescription of fanto. And they will come good for the moment. Say ne was economy. But for me, I think say dia esedun ketia led executive person they just want to make this.
That's the party. It's not about esedun ketia.
Oh no, you see
it's not about esedun ketia.
Please.
Who got target esedun ketia?
Me see esedun ketia led executives. He's the leader of the party.
Fek is there. There are other executives there.
Me see, he's doing all these kind of things. And to make the country ungovernable, because I got 2 laps. It's not a matter of the noise that you do, that will may give you political power. And I don't want the situation, like I say, situation that we find ourselves, the NDC are comfortable and they are happy because they won't go so not so. But when say, by the time we end of this year, you be 2024, and your money better than it come. I'm said they are acquiring your pressure kufado. They money to accommodate. Okay. But I agree. Say yenhwe as a mine ye costa ebeboa nyina no agree, but just to deny and conform menu a apampeneku for the EU to come and serve this country, say you are not going to allow them. At the end of the day, the committee, they will make their decision, they are ruling on it, and they will call plenary. At the end of the plenary,
they will still come back.
They will go and vote on it.
So clearly they are the NCAGA.
Well, whatever they want to do, what it is there, because at the end of the day, to end up the plenary, they better.
They will still become
whether it's a voice vote or by hand or whatever. We'll see
that's what I'm saying.
It's too early yet.
I'm not very ministers.
Make us say,
what's the Ghana for who say more resistant?
We need a buyer. You're just resistant. You're resistant. You say, you per se, you take car, a buying bona, and you call how mono. Ghana for you be say, won't be used. Near man, near Cosi, MPP are buying no care. No more,
an idea of Moba, when you are going back. Ministers do not your family ministers I do not want fair pain.
Mama was about 80.
No, or so there is the time for pain.
It was close to 80.
There's a more for pain.
I know more yet. You see, as some by a cancer, and yes, I've been a baby and this bomb by.
The 81 it's important. 81 is important. You want to know your alternative.
Mostly by next month. And never is any will come within confirm what mine or mine able.
You have a present way.
It is your crabbing is at the Chima Yamim.
Ye who from was
you as all you from obviously when you're away. Debbie, and then you're more yes, a bino. Be being what is about doing Ghana phone.
Okay,
so was Canada more than Mugum.
So you're going to try one by a bar. And I'm with a mine. COVID-19 in common intimate conduct. Ye quaba. But you know what a Ghana in now if you say. So if NDC raises issues about 120, 180, almost parents with 75, 80, what is good and ideal for a country in do 40 million as ministers? Well, Asaba, Mame, and Chia, so Jibra, Adom TV, Namen, Minia, Emmanuel Edu, Yako, also Mame, the late Obapen, Abenchua. Ye ka say de radiator sa afre na me adman na otwe wi wo ye free hona na yi ne nhihye be koso ne betum pem 25th February 2023 anopa no 9 pm kopem nondu wo Krangza na afia kopem ne krabia wo ye free Krangza na abusu atena se na ne kwasia danso no na asia som na koso Church of Pentecost in Krangza anopa no 9 abusu asem nkai ose mota o machi na bibia ntime nkokama nti Emmanuel Edu Yako from manager Edu Yako kase na mede ma onyame aduma weekend we eba beta we chi in Krangza ye free na biako ebo na otwe pa community aduana enuma ye pije mu na afefia ma kwa tamakolo abeto aso ja man ma menka o se studio had ye era ye Bequeen wo han na era ye Titus Glover and so atnase now era Bequeen nkomo we enko COVID-19 honkomo intimi enko and this one IMF chief Nankasa na Ekasa Ewahalm say the managing director of the International Monetary Fund Kristalina Georgieva has attributed Ghana's economic struggles to the COVID-19 pandemic and the outbreak of the Russia-Ukraine war. The IMF chief said the Ghanaian economy was thriving and making positive gains until COVID-19 struck, changing the economic outlook and was further exacerbated by the outbreak of the Russia-Ukraine war in February 2022. Ghana is currently engaging the fund for a $3 billion loan facility to complete its economic mix, which was worsened by 2 events. At a roundtable discussion on the sideline of the Munich Security Conference in Germany, Ms. Georgieva said the fund was under pressure to extend bailouts to struggling member countries due to the damage done by COVID-19 and the Russia-Ukraine war. She said the fund was committed to reciprocating the over $650 billion support it gave out to struggling member countries sometime last year. And I quote, "We recognize that we are in a world in which exogenous shocks more often than before hit innocent bystanders. Ghana has been working toward good policies for quite some time, and the COVID-19 and the Russia-Ukraine war hit, and that significantly undermined Ghana." And twaso. Basically, the air parker and say, "Mami person catch the Ghana for any years," and say, "COVID-19 who show any Russia-Ukraine war in Tokwano, Ghana any exception in so isika 70 and 2 year any of my boom." Now, your party has always been a strong advocate that Ghana was a beneficiary of COVID-19. 2, Russia-Ukraine war, me and family support to chase and nona MED. This is coming from the IMF chief. Are we now comfortable? Do we now understand the reality? Say, ampa COVID-19 in Australia or my Ghana, so we cannot underestimate and underrate it.
Menya, me da say COVID-19 komo no bossa e basa na Ghana ni biati wa na oya alert. Oh, COVID-19 e che Ghana, e che Nigeria, e che Ivory Coast, e che Benin, e che Togo. I'm talking about the sub-Saharan area. Want to say obi economy, I say kontebe say ye dey eti. You see, we know some of this protocol and diplomatic presentations because it was Habre, you know. A diplomat like the head of the IMF are working. Only what the government is going through. From a minute, they are all canon. Now you share as a trembling share your neighbors.
Yeah, the mamene canon.
These
are diplomatic protocols.
Thank you very much. Come on, who you come around? These are diplomatic protocols. When we saw Abine on Canadian, and you need records say Abino and those dive and send a COVID. One executive catch a pain. What how Ghana was performing before COVID. Now COVID no Ghana and Kwane. Are we an island on this earth? COVID HE. Are we an island on this earth that the impact of Sahara everybody say Russia-Ukraine war no and our war no mko mokola. Ekoso mokola. I say many year ken. Nia amanya ebemben ye nsesofo you fe won kototo your friend say amanya say ye nseso ni omo komuni amanya say ye nsoso no wa ban ekobo ka twi di egu wa wan hwe ni benkum wan hwe ni nifa ye kada say ye mbo ye bra say aboantete edu bibia o se seduane kaka no yakoyede yakosi ebreba is dobre brebe na opede duane no
bra niam akọ atwe
no nti niam be kwa atwe na bi ni ho no ana weather na condition no man kwan so be kwa bonte no we no ede
obedi
do we elect people or we elect leaders yen hwe aban not na bra boss asem de enye Ghana ni bi ahwe
impusuye
impusuye nkra ni akoso wo aman hudu eto ye hu ahia ye nim won so covid chi won won so Ukraine war no yanko wo kro mfimfini ni yakon wo soro ho na ni impact na ka obi a ana wo Ukraine for ye nan for sin obi nim. What are we saying? Ya ban we nhihye boni a oyeye aban we won ni bra won bo ni bra say obi onima membuo no nim de so no moka chen say we have the men now by na ometisi mu. That's the right word for them. Omo ye dey ometisi mu osimu e so ka ekura agrobi na yidi anadwo no osime ne wasi kan ko no vivi sa abrabo no ban we be den aban be boy be ye ne niema keke of physical left and right ni awobetu bia no na wo say no wo bu oman a wo si ukra economic wizard bit said Dr. Badwam as your vice president, head of the economic management team. Onipa we bi na no aka say oman bia no so wo hwe ase ya wa be hwe say na win this wo some pen about nyan kan so nim bibia ono head me di amanfo kasa na eja na to nchen kra sa believe let's leave oman pen Ekufuado. Let's talk to Badwam.
So on your president.
On your president. He's the head of the economic management team. He is the head. And nothing about Penny Ekufuado. On the say failure we. Not won't we call something in the ultimate responsibility. Me boy. I don't dey ba na na dey siawo. Ne ni po down ni Dr. Badwam. Chamembu poto ayebu poto fit and tantan.
Amemu we no.
Amembu yetimi.
Amemu a COVID issue so anti me.
COVID a esi okro bia so na yanko ade akɔhye poase no.
Amemu COVID ho.
Amembu a Ukraine war esi na kan wiase nyina yense so ne etipanfu a ɛwɔ offense in sub-Saharan Africa. Ivory Coast, Nigeria, whatever. No mu gya won nanso na ya yirai. Do we have a leader? Your economic messiah be as we professed in how do you call it? Dr. Badwam.
O man ankasa hihye en emwa ma say you no be society mi nyina na so.
Baby, me from not from. So na me na senior I can o me senior. Ye can. Why you never be on? Fatu abrabom. Say me try see me ho afa. Or say I'm living good. E do bribi no. Now to what tibia bi. Unim say when you go into election it's like a gamble. I say okoto chacha. And you automatic say okwa obey dey. Ube wini. E game a draw bi anya dey. Enim draw be mu kura mbekwa akosa obakwa dey. It will be sound who say Sebani say me kodin kugua mebo me brasen. You don't ask yourself? It will be to man o man pani bi wo. Senate bia oyila o man pani kufuo epem yenyan. Ono abebra betrem. Am yenya piti bia kan ho ayesa ne dodo. Aban we buy no. The modern boy now they bluff ni nyina no. Go and look at the indices. Go and look at the figures. Oil figures. It sounds like sabre no. Na the 10 fields na dia your man pani John Dramani Mahama sabre no. Obo ka edi ye. Sa time no through your company mills when you baby call. Nyame pa de crazy. E be see Mahama so omo hear this the gas offense saying enclave o na ye di fuel ye thermal plants nya enya mu fa so na ma ndo share we say make I call parliament the first year in parliament. If you look at the figures na omo kan ho asema omo ye nia na oil figures akosoro ana omo gina mu eye ya ni aban ni yeto nyina mo be say no na mo bo sie gum na mo hwie gum over 500 billion o say COVID na ye wodan Ukraine war na ekoso Russia war no ekoso COVID aba fomu aman wudo bebre ejina won nanso sabi o how obi nka say oman ni yenka de bira da say Russia ni Ukraine kuntoka COVID ebae no ahadwe ye ka COVID ni podia aban we nya COVID nanka we dwane kra deda because COVID sika aban we nya ye ene ya ka ho asem abebre then o de ehun ko tebu bae no so what me kai say my last is why we all calling for say there should be the audit I mean refi or the other panelists are near here oh no auditor as in the destiny of governance no at the end of the year the auditor general will audit yes this is a special program e ba yi minu nya ye ditua se ne wo munye sika no basa sempu sa COVID sika no one fan ye one party activists and fan ma one party for senya ma me na wo soro wo no kan se ne wo si chase kan faye ye nim se sika no mo de ye wo elections so mu hwani ya minia senya audit report nyame na meka a che no nke yiti na Ghana for ye gina mu
okay so
it nyama me ne kan de often say I like the word here you see you know we say diplomatic way protocol karate bofo nyame share utija English teacher wunta nge wakane dia betwem
yes so can
that's right me na your chamber queen or kasa won say yes of any say on so the come back queen
asem so
ka na waka
ko yehye da
na Ghana for the nim say e ya ban boni an onim ni ototo onim sane ye kuraman obetu bibia onim di fu ma ne broso oboka ma enchirima da che eba na ma Ghana yeti say
oh Nikwatai then Nikwatai Titus Global
come on
COVID-19 Russia-Ukraine war negatively affected Ghana.
Mamenti ade kakra sana. The district ya ejuma pa.
Ah. Na akwan be na mo ye kan ya maka no ka che.
Ma ye research kakra na DC no.
Ne kan kwan asem. On kan kwan asem.
Enti
DC Adom ana
DC
Eugene Saki.
O se kwan be ne aye.
Na enema wa
start kwan no.
Also infrastructure projects.
Yeah.
At the second well. Also 12 classroom blocks we see.
From the scratch.
We see 100%.
We see 12
classroom. I say 6 classroom block 100% we see. At the second there's a group no. To go as na member ma. So called Islamic primary 100%. Yeah. At the Presby primary 100% wa yeah. So called Presby primary 100% wa yeah. Abam Methodist primary we see. Kumikrom Presby primary 100% we see. Adotim LA primary school we see 100%. Aswaba Presby primary we see. Kwesi Nyaku Presby JHS we see. Esuchirema LA JHS primary 100% we see. Owura Kesim JHS 100% we see. Domponiasi Presby JHS 100% we see. Adesso Presby KG 70%. Ndoda DA KG 100% we see. Mipom Roman College KG 100% we see. Pavement of Adesso Station 100% waye. Slaughterhouse Adesso waye. Sukrum Kanan Chip Compound 80%. Okay. Aswachning Chips Compound and Clinic 70%. Mipom Social Center 90%. Okrasi Social Center 90%. Sukrum Beds and Social Center 90%. Mipom Presby ICT Center 100% waye. Or say on yen nebe Adesso town roads no 100%. We came to complete the Adesso town roads. Then Adesso to Bodwasi Road 100%. Yeah. Etimetim emso kan wa ha. Kofiasa Road 100%. Yeah. Mipom Etimetim kwan no ye dem contractor yet to move on site. Then Nyanwa Kumikrom another contractor ya awarded the amount. Then he goes on to talk about public toilets. Or say Aswaba 100%. Owura Kesim 100% public toilet. So this is when 100% juma ya ye. Me say me boa. What I say me boa. And yeah, ni nyan bubi kabi mai. Now this is not the platform. I'm saying take your cameras and go there. This was sent to me by the DC Honorable Eugene Saki. I don't know the amount
to host the DC.
You understand?
I think said next week let's no DC bidding.
You understand?
So see.
Kasamina me please don't come in. Kabami. Mizimo. That mean communication and technology. ICT center people.
Come 4 minutes. Would know the way.
4 minutes.
Yeah, 4 minutes not the way.
And me can wait the akoseso. Edu kofi.
Na say list odi about the dot file.
Kwadwo ama Odin Kwame Wuku Yaw Aso.
Why then
Daniel ICT Gifek network towers. To connect with network when you ekrasi ono we need some of these things to facilitate ICT.
You know we na so under
what I say and the agenda one so yamamubi. Now it's also ongoing. Make sure on my pictures no.
But normal way is ongoing.
Please.
I say agenda one is ongoing.
The district hospital agenda is also ongoing. Semi bois. Eugene Manembra. Agric motorcycles, extension officers, to make them accessible to the farmers in the hinterland. District pickups, the director to make their work comfortable and easy. Pick up to the district director of education. What does it? Mobile one year.
Oh, my head.
1 year. I mean, I wouldn't make us immediately yet. Don't listen to him. Because I got a show and I got the floor. What does it? And declare in Ubets now. Let us admit, say, yeah, yebi. But as Oliver Twist, you know, you still demand more to come.
Education.
Oh, Bequeen. I never interject news. What does it?
You know, say, or my pick up 1 year.
He had the opportunity. He flew. He said all kinds of things, ranting, shouting. Or you pay. I me him and why are you engaging him? Why are you engaging him? So clearly, in Upper West Achim District, under the command and the supervision of Eugene Saki, these are a lot of things that have been done. But so Oliver Twist, we still want more to be done. Because we're a very rural community. So back to the substantive matter. And this is not the first time IMF chief executive, you know, Aka about Ghana. As Junior's challenges there. I think KBB Holland President Corona program. And I admit to say the challenges that had bedeviled Ghana as a result, you can't take away Russia, Ukraine, and COVID. These are clear facts.
But we are watching other African countries. We are watching other countries too as well.
John Mama hypocrisy in Mamimpeno or call Harvard University platform to speak about the impact of the COVID and the Russian-Ukraine war on economies of Africa. Okowa no kanu kure no oba no oba danina no na NDC no susuma wura mu they begin to speak bibi fufro. You need to be consistent. Yes, you need to be consistent. You need to be consistent and flow. I don't like this hypocrisy. We admit, sir, there are issues that have come. So whatever it takes for us to make sure we walk through these challenges, we are doing. So I don't see what you are doing. What are your alternatives? What are your alternatives? Please. Missy, what are your alternatives? Missy, Eugene Abano.
Tim Sabo kwa Adom TV Badwam na Oshoroma hene kwa Bena Sante ne na Badwa foye do mase. De do so no nkomo we hu hia se wo se yetie na yetie ne yie. Ede ya ye mmofra no AP school akro no. I was say yetie no so me wo Leicester Educational Institute for e wo hase ya ye babedi nkomonti awofo batan wo school hu nsam yentie we bi mwani nye wo ntoto ansa. School kofari by ora ousu apia e wo ha. Ye no edi nkomo anope papa no pay moache da bibia boko de Leicester Educational Institute moya de te mon ka che mo eze monya mfie sei
15 years
because me te mon ka che papa eni ye ni hu nkomo kakra e bia na ne de kan ya obi ati school ni di ye kan Leicester Education Institute aye school be ya
yo oba hima medasi eni edi nkama memfa nchia ema etiefo na anope nyina Leicester Educational Institute sene ya kanono enka ni nanka ya Leicester Professional Institute na ya edino na ya sesa chibia no bo hono mu a woni mu Leicester Professional Institute no intina Leicester Educational Institute no eno an former name na ya edwumadie party through ni say educational institution na a pre-tertiary na this ya adantemu wo SS any university school intem na ya titi additionfo a omo SS na nka omukwete omukọ omuto asoko university na ebia bibinti omuntime akwanya no antime anko university ebia no bo okra mpa ye kese na ebia na ni SS no anko yi wantime ampase ebi kra mpa bo okra wantime anhwi wantime antworo ana ase betime akobase na so okra yitwa mu na sa nkrofo ni nyina osa ohawi na omuseso nkom kukoye remedia entine hono na Leicester Educational Institute ye hu se yako GS na yako accreditation yebetimi arane omuso programs ha omuso ankrofo na omuso awo hawoni nyina na yebetimi aboa wo mo wo afe baako no multimedia to aso akwa university level 200 ebekan second year ntino oba Leicester immediate true pa ne say ye kire diploma programs ye 1 year advanced diploma e de ma yenuane ma omo wie SS no omuso he bi anko yie no na watimi ade akọ university level 200 na emu no dia won say o ye diploma na esansa won so hwe na wo tro wo SS no anko ye no eye remedial no ebra wo ye diploma na ya samu akwanya no ye wase no aka diploma no school mu ha enti wo bewie diploma no na nyame aye wadom won sanso aka wase no wodi ni bienu bomu a watimi de akọ university bia awo Ghana ha bia eye accredited nti no wodi ko university bia oni ha ana nye Ghana hanko a amano no nyina no obetimi de diploma akọ nti am kan say say diploma no awarded by GS WAEC nti certified by ewamo nti omu na ma certificate enya listed educational institute na Ghana no mebiri adwene be say private institution private school there okwa ebia certificate no nya bibia wanhwe anadachi wo how bi aba ho na emumu no ye bese tiefo tie say omonko makoma ntoyam aban program na aban sawum nti no wi a say wutimi de ko university wa Ghana ha no saa na ma no nso obetimi dia atwa
akwani yenhwe courses ni bi programs a mo ye wo Leicester Educational Institute
atwa you buy in programs na 1 year advanced diploma and only your diploma in accounting, diploma in business administration and a diploma in IT. And you now on IT on say information system, information technology, hardware and networking. And only 1 year. Now they are called invest level 200. And now Oba BBT say diploma in business administration and only your marketing, human resource management, finance, economics, communication. No omo person kokoye adwuma o me marketer obi opeso ye adwuma wo administration ana obi okro no opeso kokoye law e we invest anu ni nyina no betimi aba bebeye omo mbeso mo ye a chartered accountant auditors ni nyina no e wo hono oba na emom de ye ni gisem no se uwie diploma no na okọ university a bia na de ye ni diploma no betimi akoto aso e we university na emom no opesa wo sesa so a eno so no ekwan wo se obeye diploma na emom no de hia pa ne se ubeye diploma no ebewi na watimi ayebe ade akọ university and apart from your diploma no so no your certificate obu word man of person kokoye nursing obu of person ko training college na nye diploma no wo pe na no so hwe na anye yi no oba eno no so no ye do be fantitiem for 1 year certificate program obetimi akoye nursing and now they ko training college and as a polytechnic na apart from we no so no yes our fashion and design omo sua ade pam no fashion and design we ni nya de eye kwa ho eno no your 3 months your 6 months your 1 year and your 2 years buy a fashion and design na 2 years de ni diploma 2 years de no your external and internal because external na so betro GS exams send ye be ya wuwie fashion and design abaso to ko university nso a eno nso sa kwanya no ho de ade ato so ana ye internal no obi ho ma wo besua na ono no nya de ode ko university na emom ono ade ye na dwuma into the 3 months 6 months 1 year no oni je ho a eno nso no akwanda ho so betimi ana ba fashion and design na bibia wo fashion bia ye kere say ade pam ne de e kere bibia bibi ti say mema ene ma ti say suit mema suit African way abe ene ma wedding gown ne bibia fashion de ade bia ye pam bia de oba Leicester Educational Institute yo say ye be kere wow ana apart from no so no say ya ne the short course bia ba bibi ti say cyber security cyber security I don't a new programmer aba nkrofo mebre app because banks any corporate institutions mebre will challenge nkrofo timi hack wo mo system a entimi enyaduma and into say bia mu ye institution corporate institution na say mo pese ye beba mo training and on so beba kire wa na say we individual bia opese wusua na ade kokopa waduma ye na eboa wa and on so no cyber security no so e wo ho and say yes ade robotic and so ababaka ho robotic no say bia nkura uko de say no hwa new school curriculum no mde aba no STEM schools no say robotic no anu na ayede be ababaka ho science and technology no ana robotic no so ababaka ho nti bia na schools no say ahwe primary schools na na say private schools na say baba baka ye curriculum no ye kire robotic obu on ma ye ka say oni adwuma bia ye bia wo university wa ye IT oni adwuma nti oba obetimi aba 2 months ni akere robotic no no aba besu ni 2 months na wotimi dia akwakope wadwuma anso aye nti ndezi aye Leicester Educational Institute ye job portal ni se upadwuma na so oba ye hodo mu a ye do beto job portal ni so just corporate institutions no etimi eba ho no ebepe workers omo experience e was cyber security and as robotic I no immediately no wie na wonsa aka adwuma
oh ti yesua de no wo hia wie na your professional nkwan so etimi do to job you know so
job portal
no so ma
utimi
company bitimi oh fine and what can accreditation the assess should be my na yenhwe fees no so na as na no do so na fees no boarding the payment no so to say
accreditation no university for jitum say listed educational institute any program bia na my certificate
okay
na your program ni dudu na de GES ana oba GTech first nanka national accreditation board and also nsa ewu nti your accreditation from GTech ana GES ana WAEC and nti no ano de people how bia ne ho nti so hwa 15 years in no yenya o how bia challenge bia yasemo ema abonten ema nka say bia awufo bi de ne baba ana bibi akwakukusi se anyeyi dabi nti na listed educational institute 20 ndie etiefo enke yakomanto yeyem ana oba ye school fees na ne bo no eda fom na school bi odmo awo kon yabeka je school fees ni nyina ansa na start yenim se ene no ewiase na yedi dodo na anso person de omo school nti no oba school fees no ye won hyehyeye ho se ye ma utua bi na de beka no so no ya de be ya spread am na utua no kakra ebi ekosi bira obewie no na nyame ayi wodom na watimi atua school fees no so ayi de be awie
okay ane me enfa number no prekon
yo ndi ya numbers no yo 054 091 42 55 054 091 42 55 and 0241 876 551 0241 876 551 na se bi obi hwe ye kira kwan na ye wo Accra enka ne nanke wo Kumasi ba se sia ne de e bia no obi be kwakoti ye din se lista ye nim se mu Kumasi o enokre na ye wo Kumasi na ebere kakra ne Kumasi de no ya hodu won kakra na emom no se sia ne de Accra de no na ekoso enti no so Accra no so ye wo Medina University of Professional Studies ye no omochi behind lista UPS enka ne IPS ahona ohwehwe lista educational institute obehuye ena obi won so na ye kase ofiri chirichiri ofiri nkra ha obi a ofiri takrade ofiri deta obi okro onye Ghana ni na ba bia ofiri ba no obebusa se ba bia me ba meda entietiefo mo nkama komanto yem ye hostel facilities a yesiesie wo kama enti ba bia ofiri ba bia no menua ba obi a benya ba bia da kama na se 1 year o se 3 months o 6 months o otimi dia ba be no course otimi dia
ora osu apia director listed educational institute ne ye ne di community ne contact no na wa frɛ na wo so no wo makasa ha ne yenkomo ne DC me di afia amankwa tamaklo ye de team nyina ase yekɔ
yedemase